Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you're at. Hopefully you're having a good something. AMC is opening up right now, so we need to get into it. We need to see what's going on here. And of course, if everything's working right, make sure to let me know that everything's working, because I never know if the chat's working correctly. The screen is blank right now, so hopefully you guys can still hear me and it's all good, because it doesn't seem like it's working too well. Okay, here I am. Now I'm back. That's good. Crypto Rocketeer, I see your name in the chat and it disappeared again. So hopefully all of this stuff loads up nice for me. We got Mr. T in the chat, Crypto Rocketeer, James, Blake, Marco, Kara, Nick F. Good morning, Nick F. How are you doing? What's up, Clay? Roll Tide. All right. Okay, Roll Tide. Sure. Let's go, Apes. Good morning, Kara. And Crypto Rocketeer says, let's go, Clay. Nick F, man, you got to work today? You going to hang out with us? What's going on here? We want to know. Everybody always wants to know where Nick F's at, what Nick F's doing. It's important, guys, that we stay up on Nick F's activities. Nick F says, big thumbs up. It is all working correctly. Dude, I will tell you guys right now, my computer is lagging like crazy. So, we're going to work through it. I guarantee you we work on through it. We get things going, and it's going to be okay. Martin says, what up, ClayBro? Let's go AMC. Absolutely. Samantha J, happy Money Monday. Oh, yeah. Eric. Oh, hello again, Clay. Oh, hello, Eric. How are you doing? I'm telling you what, guys, my Weeble... Look, you can see white screen right now, right? Let's just go back to main while Weeble loads up, because this is my computer is liking the lag, and I don't know why. Bacon and eggs for all you bros. Blackjack dealer, yes, I love bacon and eggs. All right, Weeble is loaded. Let's see what's going on with AMC this morning. Oh my goodness. Turn it on a 1 minute chart. Let's see actually how the candles are performing. We are up 1.74% currently. All right, we're 3 minutes in. We had a lot of pretty big swing there. A couple minutes ago, $56 down to $54. That's not bad. All right, we get Weeble on the chart here. We can see what's going on, all of that good stuff. That white screen looks good. That white screen did look good, didn't it, Nick? Nice and fresh white screen Weeble loading. Tor says, Ape Nation. Good morning, Tor. How are you from? Don't recognize the name, Tor. You usually hang out in here? You type? I don't know. Typically, I recognize a lot of the names that are out there, but that one I do not recognize. What else we got? Nothing. Everybody's slow in the morning, but it is okay. Look, I imagine it might be a little slow because we've got Trade live streaming. We got the Mass Investor live streaming. We've got Matt Kors. Is that what his name is? Oh, yeah. Matt Kors live streaming. We've got a lot of people doing a lot of things, so I imagine this morning might be a little slower than normal, but we're still here. We're having fun. We're going to test it out. We're going to see what AMC does, and hopefully it does good things. Ape Nation, new guy, very nice. Tor, glad to have you in here. And Cuddle Bunny. Cuddle Bunny, thank you for subscribing. Cuddle Bunny was over in the Masked Investors stream. I don't know if she came over here to check this one out, or if she just subscribed to the channel, but thank you very much, Cuddle Bunny. I appreciate that. All right, let's see what we got. Eric says, I'm waiting for my scheduled interview time. Look it up, Clay. Together, we would get at least 800 viewers. However, we'd have to give away stickers. Eric, we would probably have to give away stickers, man. What time you thinking? I don't know. Makes me nervous. You like to really give away a lot of stuff. You might be giving my shares away and my sign. You might give my sign away. It's just, I don't know, dude. I can't give away everything. I can give away my computer. Let's see what we got going on here. Just got your notification. Well, Nick F, glad you got it. That means a few other people might be jumping in. I have no idea, YouTube, why you like to mess around with my notifications. But hey, thanks for keeping me on my toes. We'll just send out a tweet. We'll do other things to get people in here. Guys, make sure that you share this live stream with at least one person, because YouTube doesn't like to share with people. I figure you might like to share with people. Oh, yeah, we could do this. I promise we could do this. How was everybody's weekend? Was it good? I mean, we live streamed yesterday. I don't know if you were here yesterday or not. I think a lot of you guys were. But how was your weekend? Hopefully it was good. Mine was. Are you bonded? Like insured? What are you am I out on bond right now? Good morning from Cali. Mr. J, always up so early. Nick F says silence. Hey, good idea, man. Good idea, because it's currently not silence. Natalie, good morning. Neo Wolf, good morning. How are you guys doing? Let's go this way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that wall. All right, now I can see the phone. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm going to silence this bad boy. All right. Oh, no, go back up. Yeah, go back up. Could you actually hear that? Did I get a message? If I did, I certainly did not hear it. But you guys got better ears than I do, man. I'm telling you what. Anders, good morning. It's always good, even when it's bad. 100 FNF training. It is always, remember that, guys. It is always good, even when it's bad. I like it. Nick F says, yes, we did hear something. Oh, my goodness. I did not hear anything. If you're texting me, if you're messaging me, if you're calling me, whatever you're doing, catch me on the live stream, because you know that's where I'm at 9:30 in the morning until about 12:30 in the afternoon. Clay, I got your Twitter notification to go watch Masked Investor. Nice, Blackjack. And then did you get the one that I sent out that says, come watch me? Because, dude, Twitter's blocking those too. I'm telling you what, man. Question of the day. ClayBro Cam. ClayBro Cam is not currently on, but yes, ClayBro Cam will be making an appearance in the afternoon. I don't know if the dude's sleeping. I tried to find him this morning, but I could not get a hold of him. So he was not having it this morning, and I don't know why. So afternoon, he will definitely be hungry this afternoon because he did not eat at all this morning. Good morning, Cassie. How are you doing? Glad to have you in here. I like it. Cassie jumps back and forth between me and Matt Kors. Very good. Yes, you got a message vibration. Crypto Rocketeer. Not anymore because Nick F said turn it on silent, and we did. Video didn't cut out, though. Very, very interesting. I think it must only be when certain people message me. I don't know. Lauren! Come on, AMC. I want to see green today. Hey, Clay. Hey, Lauren. Now, listen, Lauren. I saw the tweet. I liked the tweet this morning. I'm very sorry for keeping you up so late. We would try our best to end the live stream so you can get some more sleep. I wouldn't want somebody keeping me up late, so we're going to make sure that you have no more tired nights and that you get all the sleep that you need. Eric says, Clay, I only give things away for price pops. Come over to the left side equals $70 and 2 free stickers once we break 72. Ooh. Well, dude, I don't even know if the hair will go this way. Will it? Hold on. Dude, the hair doesn't, look at this, man. The hair does not want to go that way. I mean, that's pretty sad. If you ask me, I don't know if we're going to see that 70 based on the hair action. I really don't. Look at this. I don't think, Eric, that we can do it. I think that's, it's just, it knows. It knows to go this way, man. So I don't know if we're going to, if this is going to, you guys agree, right? I don't think that's going to work out for us. Eric says this gets us to 70, but I think that that's going to be overall bad news, man. That's what we're going to have to settle with right there. I think that's a sexy look. Eric, I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. That ain't going to get us to 60, I'll tell you that, or 70, I'll tell you that right now. Breadcrumbs from the screen to the street will have ClayBro back. Blackjack Dealer, it probably will, but I didn't see him at all this morning. Typically, if I open the window or if I open the door at like, I don't know, 8:45 or whatever, I usually see him by 9, and then he eats a little bit, and then I go on the stream. But no, it was not hungry this morning. I can test it. No, because then you guys will stop blowing it up, and then it'll all be messed up for the rest of the day. I don't care if you want to. There's only 40 people in here right now. You can test it if you want. Hi from London. Just dropped 380,000 pounds on AMC. Clay brother, wish me luck. Lambo, Lambo, Lambo. Good luck to you. 380,000 pounds on AMC. What do we got there? 380,000 pounds on AMC. That is incredible, man. I don't even know how many shares that gets you. Well, yeah, I don't even know how many shares that gets you, because what's the conversion for the pound? $1.20? $1.30? What is it right now? Man. Slow processing of buys this morning. Tour probably. Steve Danger says first. Steve Danger is always the first person in the chat. Incredible, Steve Danger. Glad to have you in here, man, and such a dedicated fan that you are the #1 person in here all of the time. Socrates says, can you explain which is better for the squeeze, low volume or high volume? Well, guys, a lot of people think that high volume is better for the squeeze because it's going to drive the price up higher. Not necessarily true. High volume could be good to drive the price up faster, right? High volume simply means that more shares are trading hands, and that increases the momentum and increases the volatility. So it would be nice, but low volume is going to be better for this squeeze for a couple of reasons. One, it simply means that everybody is holding the stock. Nobody, if we get volume down to zero, that means that nobody is willing to sell the stock, and that's the whole point of this whole thing, is that we want to make sure nobody sells the stock. Now, the second thing, if volume is all the way down to zero or low, it's going to increase the days to cover for the hedge funds. This does a couple of things. One, it increases the risk that the hedge funds have taken on because the supply is not there. They cannot cover their shorts if the available shares don't exist. And two, that increases the likelihood of a margin call, and it also increases the duration of the squeeze. So if you want to see it squeeze really fast and kind of be diluted, make sure volume is high because the hedge funds can go out, they can cover all of their shares in a day's time. If you want to see it squeeze really slow, make sure that volume is low, and then it's going to get drug out over a couple days, possibly even a couple of weeks. Cassie! Oh my goodness, Cassie, thank you. Let's get a big screen. Oh my goodness, Cassie, thank you for becoming a bro. Everybody, make sure to welcome Cassie. She just became a little bro. I want to see Cassie's name in the chat right now, and you guys already know what it is. Neo Wolf and Crypto Rocketeer killing it this morning, already jumping on there. And yes, please, everybody, welcome Cassie for becoming a little bro. I thank you so much for that. And we should go main screen with Weeble down here. Let's hide the Chipmunk cam for the moment, since he is not on this morning. Ah, man, look at the price now, Clay. It went from 54 to 55 after the sorry version of your comb over. Just imagine if you did it permanently. Eric, you got me wondering now, man. You got me wondering now, dude, because I tried my best on that. I'm telling you, I tried my best on that. It just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. Crypto, I blame the Chipmunk. Too entertaining. Oh, my goodness. Chipmunk, you got to calm it down a little bit. We can't be keeping these people up all night long. They got to sleep, man. They got to work. They got to do things. You're not alone. Couldn't sleep after the stream and awake at stupid o'clock this morning. Oh, no, Crypto, man. Yeah, but Crypto's having a beautiful stroll through the neighborhood. I'm telling you. Saw that picture you tweeted out this morning, Crypto. Looks like you got a nice place there. Going for a good walk. Steve Danger says, no notification today. Very sad, but somehow still first. I still just have a feeling. Can't explain it. Steve Danger, you really did not get a notification? Look at these big old chipmunk tails coming in here this morning, guys. Oh, yeah. From 54 all the way up to 56 already. I like it. Who thinks that we can sustain this price action right here all day long? Does anybody think we can sustain that sort of a trend all day long? Oh, man. Look at Weeble. Look at Weeble locking up on me now. Thanks, Weeble. Thanks, Weeble, for locking up on me. Alright, now it's going again. Who thinks that we can sustain this sort of price action all day long? Yeah, no. Go right there. Come on. Me, I think. Let's go. Let's go 62 today. Come on. We're going strong on this trend. Thanks, Clay. Absolutely, Crypto. Thank you. That was a half-hearted comb over. You know it. Now it's 56. You can just submit to that comb mop over. Dude, I'm telling you right now, I could go get a comb and we could see, but I tell you, dude, it will not go to this side. It will not go unless it's like super wet. It's not gonna go all week long. Nick says we're gonna be able to handle this trend all week long, guys. If that's true, Nick F says we're going well above 100 this week. I'm in. We can do it if we hold. Steez TV, we can do it if we hold. I would agree with that, man. We can. Phineas, so why can't we turn the volume knob up? My volume knob goes to 11. Spinal Tap. I don't know, dude, turn the volume knob up if you want, man. I'm good with that. AMC had great news about F9 breaking records just a minute ago. Well, then if it had great news a minute ago, then that would be causing one of the reasons, or that would be one of the reasons to cause this little spike up. I like it. That's why I transferred to TD from Weeble. Oh man, leaving Weeble and going to TD Ameritrade. All right, it's all right. You're allowed to do that. Let's go. $62 Ape Nation tour. Let's go. Xavier. Good morning. How are you doing? Good morning, ClayBro. Good morning, Samir. How are you? Xavier throwing those pink apes out in the chat. I absolutely love it. 6146 is an S resistance on the 180-day 4-hour chart. Yeah, James, it's got to be somewhere around there, man. I keep saying 62, but I know it's a little bit of a range. So 62, 6146, if you want to get exact, could be. Let's get it, Lauren. Let's get it. Hi, Jack Stacks and Xavier. Hey, Jack Stacks, I watched your video. Didn't see it come in here, but did watch your video on pouring silver. I thought that was very cool. Cause and effect, supply and demand equals AMC to the moon. Let's go, guys. We got these chipmunk tails coming in nice and green morning. I like it so far. Hopefully you do too. Citadel owns Weeble. Citadel owns everything, guys. And I don't know if Citadel owns Weeble, but Citadel could be a market maker. Citadel's going to be a market maker for everyone. That's what they do. Sup, fo? What's up, Aurora? How are you doing? Gonna get that money? Oh, yeah, Joe ClayBro. JT Wisco. What is going on, JT Wisco? How's your morning going? Clay, you better get some better hair products. I got the best hair products known to man. If you guys want to know about the best hair products known to man, just go down in the description below and check out that Amazon affiliate link. This hair, I'm telling you, this hair, it does whatever I want it to do, except to go to that side. It's just, like, it was born this way, so it doesn't go that way. And I don't know. I could flip the camera and trick you guys into thinking that we are reversed. You guys would be very confused by that, but I could trick you. Chase and Bangers, can you explain limit orders and how to sell when we get to a bazillion? I don't understand 100%. Thanks. Chasing, yeah, man. So when we get to 100 bazillion, if you want to set a limit order, and limit orders in general, you're basically saying, I don't know, it's trading at 57.23 right now. Let's just say that you wanted to sell, it's 60 bucks. You would set a limit order at 60 bucks. Now, got a couple risks. One, it may never hit that price target, right? You may never hit a gajillion, bazillion dollars, and then it doesn't trigger your limit order, and it just sits there as a limit order, and you never get to sell. However, if it goes above 100 gazillion, bazillion dollars, it's going to trigger your limit order, and then it's going to fill that position with available shares at or above that price. Now, here's another risk you run. Let's say that we break a bazillion, trillion dollars, and there's only, I don't know, 50 shares available, but you're sitting on 75 shares. So you would fill those 50 shares if you were able to, like, you know, it comes in, it's filling everybody else's orders that's trying to sell at that level too. So, but if there's only 50 shares available, let's say you filled all 50 of your shares, you still got 25 shares left that didn't get filled, and the price drops back down below that limit order. You'd have to go back above again in order to trigger that limit order and sell it. It will not sell your shares any less than 100 bazillion trillion dollars. It's kind of like a, you know, take profit, stop loss type deal. And if they did not clear it up, hopefully you can ask another question, and I'll absolutely do it. Mr. Squirrel should have a clay fro. Mr. Squirrel definitely needs one, but it's a chipmunk, and I don't know if he can grow long hair like that. I just want to drive Citadel out of business, Steez TV, then we hold the stock, and they will go if nobody sells them the shares. Just not come over to the left. Actually, this is to the left. Like, this is the left, but that's the right. So it won't go that way. It looks weird that way. It'll basically go straight up. I mean, you know, that's pretty much straight up, but it just wants to fall to the left. Hello, ClayBro, D214. I've hit the like button, reporting in for AMC, chart watching, chipmunk, and some fun. Oh, yes. Did anybody else click that like button? 78 of you in here. I don't know how many likes we got, but hopefully you clicked the like button. Nope, the boom boom candles can just see past the mirror. Camera swaps. I thought I'd be able to swap the camera, man. Did I come back? Did I lose internet for a second? I don't know what was going on with that. Did I lag out for a minute, but I'm back now? I don't know. Lauren says, I'm trying to get my best friend in here today. I call her the wife. Lauren, get the wife in here, and I'll give her a shout out. She can subscribe to the channel if she wants, but I'll definitely give her a shout out. You know I will. We are back. You're back. All right, dude, that was really weird. Streamlabs says I disconnected, but it was trying to reconnect me. So, what did it do? Did it just spin on the screen, or what happened? Like, and it dipped. I know, man. I know, James. What is going on? I gotta stay on the screen. Very strange. Yeah, BlackRock can muscle them. BlackRock can muscle anybody they want. BlackRock is huge, guys. Morning, Clay. Reporting in. Miguel, how are you doing this morning? Hopefully, you're doing very well. 80 viewers, guys. Make sure to click that like button. Just a quick, very good emoji. Interesting, Cassie. All right, because it was... On my screen, it like went blank and said the Streamlabs is trying to reconnect. So I don't know what's going on with that. Just spun for a second. All right, cool. As long as it's just a second, I don't know what's going on with that. Internet disconnected and we dropped to 57. Oh, man, it's terrible. Where were we? We were all the way up at 58. I lag out for a second. We dropped to 57. I don't like it, guys. They're watching us. They're watching us. You covering GME as well? It's ripping! Gene, I typically don't have GameStop up on the chart. This is more of a AMC. If you guys really want me to get GameStop up on the chart, we can do that. But if you guys start throwing so many different things on the chart, it's really difficult to see what's going on. So we stay focused on AMC, but if everybody wants GameStop, we can throw GameStop up on there as well. I only have AMC. I don't have any GameStop, but I don't know if you guys want it up or not. I can bully BlackRock into the Thunderdome. Well, Miguel, if you can bully BlackRock, you are the man, because BlackRock is sitting on like $9 trillion. Just spin here. I thought it was due to the ghetto bird flying above. Tort, possibly, man. It could be something that maybe the internet, maybe the chipmunk is messing with my internet. I don't know what's going on. I'm all in on GameStop and AMC. Jiu-Jitsu boy. You're probably doing pretty well. And this is incredible, guys. We are actually using that trend line as a little bit of support. I was kind of just joking with the steepness of that trend, but it looks like it's actually holding up a little bit. That's incredible. GameStop's too rich for my blood. That's right. We had to buy AMC when it was at $5 a share. Crypto says, no, GameStop. Can you explain the technical reason why consolidation is good? Peace, love, and dogs. Yeah, sure. So look, when you consolidate to the side, it means a couple of things. One, it means it's finding a floor that the market accepts the current share price at. AMC, and we know this, right? We know that AMC, the company, is not worth $57 or $52 a share. It's just not worth that. The balance sheet does not justify the price. And I'll get back to that in 1 second after I say, Phineas, thank you for the super chat. Can I borrow some money? I need to buy some more AMC. Absolutely, Phineas. I can loan you some money, man. I don't know what the current borrow rate is for share of AMC, but I'll hit you up. Hit me up on Twitter, ClayBro883. I'll loan you some money, man. Go buy some more AMC. All good with that. Just pay the borrow rate, you know. Hopefully it's back up to 80, 90% or whatever it was earlier. But thank you very much, Phineas. I appreciate all of the super chats that you guys send across. And back to consolidation. So it means that the consolidation level, the market is accepting that stock at that price. The market is accepting AMC at $50 a share, even though it's not worth $50 a share. So that means that we're setting a new floor, and we can bounce off that floor even higher than we were able to bounce off $50 or $5 per share, $8 per share, $20 per share, etc. And it also means the consolidation is going to be shaking out all of the volatility players. These are the day traders, the people that are jumping in strictly to make some quick either swing trades or day trades on AMC, and we don't want those guys involved because they're going to be detrimental to the squeeze. So it's good for a variety of reasons, those being the top two, I would say. Good morning, ClayBro. Let's get this paper. Chaka Kong, good morning to you. That line is literally being followed to the T. Craziness. How did you know? Well, we're breaking down a little bit right now, but it was just a good guess, chasing bangers. Between CCIV popping off and AMC hitting the marks, somebody needs to fuel a private jet. Let's get it going, Blackjack. Lauren, I'm guessing that was you that followed me on Twitter. Possibly. Lauren is on Twitter. She posted a new video, I think last night or this morning maybe. And she's a tired girl. Jiu-Jitsu Boy says, Evan, we only live once. Let's smash this, people. Let's do it, guys. Do not give up. Lawrence is correct. Crypto, it was her that followed you. Another good thing of consolidation is that the moving averages can catch up, right? Yes, Juice, that's another good thing for consolidation. The moving averages will catch up, and they will also become levels of support. So that's another good reason. Absolutely. ND says, what up, Ape Gang? What is going on, ND? How are you doing? Speaking of holding up, let's do this. We all want to hear your best Rick or Morty voice when explaining AMC charts moving forward. Sounds good, right? Eric, it would sound good, except I have never watched a single episode or clip of Rick and Morty, so I would have no idea. what their voices sound like. So we could try it, man. Yeah, so we have AMC going up. We got the little chipmunk tails going here, and the level of support that we drew on the chart here, yeah, it's going up, and we broke down to the downside just a little bit, so then we might need to move that little support line there, and so we can continue to bounce off of it. How was that? Did I do good? I've never even heard a single clip. If I got it dead on, let me know if I got it dead on, dude, because Brett says, nailed it! Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Crystal says, what are the hollow candles? Crystal, I'll be honest, there are no hollow candles on my chart because it's just the way that I got them set up. And then Weeble's a little bit weird with their hollow candles. So it depends what charting platform you're using if you're looking at hollow candles. I don't know which one you're using, but hollow candles would typically mean that the open was higher than the close on that candle. Now, I don't know what platform you're using. All of my candles, whether the open is higher or lower, are filled in on Weeble. Old school New York accent. Well, Eric, I don't know, man. I was trying to go for Rick and Morty. I don't know if that... I have no idea what they sound like, dude. So if I got them, I got them. What can I say? That was good, but not even close. All right. Well, I'll try better next time. Hopefully we can, maybe we get some afternoon action and some round 2 on the Rick and Morty, I don't know, voice over there, because I have no idea what they sound like. Or is it Morty that's the kid? It could be Neil. It must be Rick. Not enough voice cracking. Or is it Morty that's the kid? I have no idea, guys. I have no idea whatsoever what those guys sound like. Oh, man. You sounded like a broadcaster from the 40s. So, was it good? Like, all right, man, I guess... That's a good thing, chasing bangers. That's a good thing, right? Broadcasters in the 40s, those are like the OGs. I'm all for that. Just look it up for round 2. Maybe tomorrow we could look it up. We could just go for a round 2. Like that was my Rick. We could go for a Morty. Are they different people? I don't even know. We could go for a round 2 with Morty this afternoon, and then tomorrow we could go for the real deal. Stopped for gas. What in the world price move did I miss? I'm telling you, Anders, you missed a nice little upside swing, but now we're back down a little bit into the $56.50 range right here, $56.50. And let's see, like, we might be getting a legitimate trend to form here. I don't know. We could find out soon, right? Move that over. The first one was way too steep. We were never going to be able to sustain that first one. So let's see what happens there. Oh, yeah, because Pickle Rick. All right, Pickle Rick might be something. Grandpa Rick. Yes, Grandpa Rick. Please, Lord, for my family, AMC. Third Salvador. Yes, let's get AMC to go to the moon for the family. Making these price gains, guys, it is looking very good. If we have a few-hour midday break again, you should watch some Rick and Morty. We probably will have a few-hour midday break, Brett, and I could definitely watch some Rick and Morty, but I can tell you my impressions are horrible. So, the impression you guys just heard would probably be better than an actual impression after watching Rick and Morty. Just to let you know. I mean, straight up. My impressions are terrible. Intraday data shows short interest up 1.18% today. Estimated short interest is at 18.90% of the free float. Anders, I love it. Keep shorting. Keep shorting, hedge funds, because you're going to lose. ND, thank you for the super sticker. Oh my goodness. One up, one up, one up. All right. This is an interesting super sticker. I like it. One up, one up, one up, one up. I don't know how else to do that. Hopefully that was a decent impression of that super sticker there, because we get the little one up. Thank you very much. ND, I appreciate that. Oh my goodness. You guys always come up with the best ones to make me do the weirdest things, and I love it, guys. Thank you very much for keeping me on my toes. You can't hold yourself to that standard. Your first impression was already perfect, so it would have to be hard to beat that. Yes, it is very hard to beat the first one because it was dead on, so we might be able to do a little bit better. I didn't see what Lambo said. All right. Oh, he said LMAO. Jiu-Jitsu boy, I'm telling you, man. Morning, everyone. Good morning, Agent Jackstone. How are you doing? Neo Wolf and Cassie laughing at me. But guess what, guys? The super sticker came on by, and that is what you get. I'm telling you right now, you can't embarrass me, so it'll be okay. Brett quietly sips coffee in the corner of the room. Quietly. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Brett. How are you doing? Good morning, Blackjack Dealer. How are you doing? Green candles, baby. We're getting those green candles on AMC. What's up, AMC gang? What is up, Luca? How are you doing? Good morning, Matt Perry in the house. Good morning, Matt Perry. Glad to have you in here. It was cute. I try, man. I try. It was a little embarrassing for me. My heart was beating a little bit, making sure that I got that super chat right, but I sure did. My prediction, end of day, 58.98. Who remembers Waterboy? That ain't no gas. That's what it's going to be. That ain't no gas. That's what it's going to be. 58.98, end of day. Let's get it, Dave. Let's get it. Good morning, all. Doc Airlines, glad to have you in here. Doy, what up, what up? Glad to have you in here as well, Doy. The B Mill, thinking of selling my Clove and Palantir to buy AMC. Very interesting, B Mill. Don't know where Clove or Palantir are sitting right now, but I can tell you right now, I don't think that they got the same potential that AMC's got. Bam, just past 57. Like that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, Matt Perry. Lindsay, good morning, Clay. I'm happy to see you bright and early. You know what, Lindsay? I'm glad to see you bright and early as well. Thank you very much for being in here. My prediction end of day is 65.74. Ooh, I would love 65.74. We got our work cut out for us, but let's get it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. Hoping to see AMC wave to the Voyager probes as it passes by. On its way to the moon, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Phineas is laughing at Joe Roberts. What did Joe Roberts have to say? I did not see it. It's way up there. Man, missed that chat. Sorry, guys. My prediction, 65.73. Ooh! Coming in 1 cent. If this is the Price is Right, man, you just did him dirty. You just did him dirty if this is the Price is Right. I'm telling you right now. You guys, isn't this funny? Look at this chart. Look at this chart. I mean, it's just like walking this line right here. That's incredible. It's incredible. Hoping the F9 success drives the price above 60. I would love it. Well, if the Voyager's way past the moon, then guess where we're going? Way past the moon. Way past the... Where's the Voyager at? Anybody want to let me know? Because I don't know. My dad is like super into space. He probably knows where it's at. He's probably like, well, it's so far away, and it's 981,000 miles from the Earth right now, orbiting Saturn. Favorite Fast and Furious movie? Too Fast, Too Furious is probably my favorite one. I'm gonna say that's my favorite one. Too Fast, Too Furious. Clay, did you watch the last video of Trey and Matt on the news? It's so funny going from the energy Trey way down to the slow motion Matt. Love both. I don't know if I watched. When was the last one posted? I don't know if I watched it, but yeah, that would be kind of funny, man. That would be like hitting the gas, pumping the brakes. Hitting the gas, pumping the brakes. Keep that steep line, bro. Seems to follow it every time. We're going to keep that line going, guys. We're going all the way up. Denny, hello, man. How are you doing? Glad to have you in here, Denny. True apes weather the storm, and we are weathering this storm. Well, it worked for NASA, so it'll work for us. Nice, Blackjack. Vinny, don't underestimate Brett. He makes people spit out their coffee with one-liners. He does, man. Brett is killing it. Too Fast, Too Furious was the best. That was probably my favorite one, for sure. Mopping floors doesn't count. No, it doesn't count for something, but I did not see what it doesn't count for. Airline, you making my heart palpitate. Ooh, American Airlines is in here. Is that what we got going on? Or Doc Airline, okay, because there's another guy in American Airline as well. Voyager is roughly 13.2 billion miles from Earth right now. 13.2 billion miles from Earth. Dude, there's no way. Sinister, come on now. 13.2 billion miles from Earth? Is this true? Is this true? Somebody confirm. Somebody confirm the Voyager, man. If it's 13.2 billion miles away, we still have contact with it? That's really far, guys. It's really far. How far? Anybody know how far the sun is? I know. Throw it in the chat right now if you know. And the moon. I know how far the moon is. So let us know. Man, I like Fast and Furious 42 the most. The Fast and Furious 42 is not out yet. Coming next year. Hedgy Tears. Brett, nice one. Buying Voyager puts, it can't stay up there forever. Brett's buying Voyager puts, very good. Oh man, good morning, Kayla. throwing those chipmunks and those ducks in the chat. I love it. Bouncing back and forth. Citadel lost about the same money in quarter two, the 13.2 billion. Boo, Citadel, you're losing 100,000 miles. Matt Perry says 100,000 miles. Yes. Now the moon's roughly 240,000 miles away. Voyager 1 is over 22 billion miles away. 90, yes, Kayla, 93 million miles. The sun is roughly 93 million miles away. B. Mill says it's not 93 million miles away. I don't know. He doesn't believe what's going on here. Moon is 238,000. Yes. Sun is 94.5 million miles. So, okay, maybe we moved a little bit. Last time I checked, 93 something. As of February 20th, Voyager is roughly 141 astronomical units sun-Earth distance from the Earth. Wow. Phineas, that is incredible. Incredible. 65, remember me. Doc, we will remember you all the way to 65 today, for sure. Earth is 94.499 million miles from the Sol. Very good, Joe. I thought it was 93 million, but, you know, man. Maybe we moved a little bit. Who the heck knows these days? It's about 500 meters away. Crypto, that is very close. Must be very hot where you're at right now. Because I think we live in an enclosed system. NASA lies. Oh, man. Oh. Dude, I mean, listen. All right, believe that if you want, but still believe in AMC, okay? Don't get crazy on AMC. You get crazy on the Earth if you want. Don't get crazy on AMC. Don't tell me that we're not going to squeeze or anything weird. Our sun may micronova during our lifetime. That would be bad, wouldn't it? That would be bad. Wouldn't we all die? We live in a closed system. Is this a simulation? It might be, Doc. It might be. I hope it is not, but it might be. When you calculate the orbit of the Earth and the fluctuations in the distance from the sun, it turns out all shorts must cover. It does. And guess what that means? That AMC's on its way to Pluto, baby. Ooh. Ape Father. ODU, man. AMC to Pluto. Have you heard of the convex Earth theory? Neo Wolf. I've seen some crazy stuff on that, but dude, come on, guys, come on. The Earth is not. I would say sphere, but then you guys would be like, oh, actually, it's a little bit squeezed, so it's not a perfect sphere. So yeah. I know where you're going with it, but the Earth is not flat. Pluto is not a planet. It is to me, Phineas. I don't care how small it is. It's not a planet. I mean, it is a planet, okay? Yes. Doesn't matter how small it is. It still matters to me. Pluto is still a planet to me. Absolutely, Cassie. Pluto's a dwarf planet. Still a planet. Bro, all you do now is AMC. I enjoyed your Sens days. Opuda, AMC is definitely, listen, I think I have like 2 or 3 videos on Sensonics. So you can go watch those again if you want. But AMC is where it's at right now. AMC has much more potential to short squeeze and deliver some gains than Sensonics does. And that is why we are here. That is why we are watching AMC go absolutely to the moon. Hashtag small gang. Oh, yeah. Hi, bro. When AMC hits its peak, will it come down slowly or crash down? Would you recommend selling shares on the way down? Rodwin, I think it's going to come down fast, man, especially from the absolute peak. I think it's going to come down fast from the peak. Now, where's the peak at? Is the peak at 50 grand and then we come all the way back down to $200? I don't know where the peak's at, how far it's going to come back down. Is the peak at 800 and then it comes back down and hits $20? Only time will tell, but I do believe that it will come down fast. Vigilante, you should come on here with Clay one day. Yes, Vigilante, you should. Okay, serious question. If someone shorts a stock, what exactly happens? Thank you, Eric. Very good question. If somebody shorts a stock, say I've got shares in my portfolio and I'm not holding them in a cash account. Say I'm holding them in a margin account. My broker can loan those shares out to I don't know, Citadel. Let's just use Citadel as an example. My broker can loan those shares out to Citadel, and then Citadel decides to sell it to you because you want to buy it. So I still have it in my portfolio. Yes, they're loaned out to Citadel, who sells them to you. Now, you also have that share in your portfolio, but Citadel has an IOU out with me. They owe me that stock because they shorted it. So they've borrowed it, and now they owe it. So they are required to cover that short position once they sell it. It's an IOU. They bring in the money in their account. If they shorted one share of AMC right now, they would have $56 credited to their account, and then they would have to cover that at a later date, hopefully at a lower price. That's how they would make money on it. M. James, good morning to you, my friend. How are you? I've never visited space myself, so I don't assume it's round, flat, pyramided shape. I have never visited space as well. Yes. Clay, so we know AMC is overvalued. Why do we think the price will continue up? Why do we think there will continue to be a squeeze? James, very good question. AMC is definitely not worth. It's definitely not fundamentally valued at $55, $56 a share. We think it's going to continue going up because those hedge funds are required to buy it back, no matter what the price is. It does not matter if it's $1 trillion a share. They are required to buy it back. They've written blank checks. The short shares are like blank checks. They've already brought that money in, and now they have to cover those shares. So as long as they have to cover those shares, if we are not willing to sell them, it's like a guaranteed buyer. If you go put your house up for sale right now, and you know that there's a guaranteed buyer out there, you can charge whatever you want for it, and somebody has to buy it. Now, if you go charge $50 jillion for your house, and there's no guaranteed buyer, you're not likely to get a buyer for it at that price. Supply and demand determines the price, but when there's a guaranteed demand, no matter what the price is, that's when things get crazy, and that's what's going on with AMC. I've been wondering what is keeping 2 or 3 hedges from getting together and buying up an entire volume and then trading it back and forth with each other. Jonathan, so that would technically be market manipulation if they did get together and manipulate the volume or manipulate the price of the stock. And also, in order to buy up all of the volume, they would have to buy it from us. So retail investors own 80% of AMC. We would have to be willing to sell it to them, and if we're not willing to sell it to them, that's the whole premise of this entire thing, is that we do not sell the hedge funds back those shares. So if they did that and they bought up the entire volume, then, that would kill the idea of what we're doing here. What is your idea of fast? What is your idea of fast? Crashes back down in 1 day or 1 week? Chase, I don't think it's going to be a week, man. And it depends on volume, right? Depends on volume, but I think it's going to be faster than a week. Unless we don't sell them the shares back, guys, unless we actually all hold. Steve Danger says, I'm a lurker. Yes, very good. Steve Danger, lurking in the background, watching, making sure that I don't slip up. Now, selling Ken Griffin voodoo dolls, 1 AMC stock each. Very nice. Hopefully they work. Otherwise, I don't know if that's worth it, but if they work. All right. Yes, the earth is round. Thank you for chiming in on that one. I sure hope it does. Wow, how TF did I know that? Doc, Jonathan, that would be market manipulation. Yes, that would be if they got together with the intent to do that, it would. Now, would they get in trouble? I don't know, but it would still be manipulation. If you and I get together, if you and I were both billionaires and we both got together and said, all right, let's drive the price of AMC up. Let's intentionally manipulate the price of AMC. It's market manipulation, guys. Doesn't change for them. It'll be a multi-day event. I sure hope so. I hope we don't get into the billions of volume when it squeezes and then it's over in a day. That's like you go to dinner, you're starving, man. You wait an hour at the restaurant hoping to get to dinner, and then you wait another half hour for them to get your food out there, and then you eat it in 5 minutes. Speaking of volume, where is the volume today, and do we need it to squeeze? We do not need it to squeeze, and where is it today? What are we sitting at? I don't know. 25 million shares already, and we're not even open an hour. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. That's a lot of volume. I really want lower volume, though. Good morning, ClayBro. JD Correa, how are you doing? British accent, bro. My British accent is terrible. I'm telling you that right now. You guys would just laugh at me all day. It's my accent game. It's just so weak. It's so weak. Ah, boy. I wish people will say that more, the importance of holding. Kayla, I will say it every day, all day. It is important to hold the stock. Please do not sell it back to the hedge funds. That is the whole point of this entire thing. Holding strong in Terrell, Texas. Sergeant Vargas, I am holding strong in Ohio. Thanks, bro. Thank you, Dave. Absolutely. AMC to Pluto. Oh, AMC to Pluto. Oh, man, my tablet needs charge. I don't have my charger over here. Where's that charger? Oh, my charger went over there. Now I know where it's at. Let's go incognito and see what these other guys got going on. Why do you like lower volume in particular? Kayla, lower volume means that people are holding. High volume means that people are willing to sell, right? High volume means that those shares are trading hands. High volume also means that the hedge funds can go out and those shares are available for the hedge funds to buy. There's no risk. If there's no volume, let's say volume gets down to 5 million shares and we know that the hedge funds have 85 million shares outstanding. You know, it's going to take them roughly, 17 days, 18 days to cover all of those shares. That is a huge risk for the hedge funds when days to cover are at 17, 18 days. That is ridiculously high for them. So that adds to the risk, and when you add to the risk, when the risk increases, you increase the likelihood of margin calls. And I really want to see margin calls come into play. 8 a.m. dentist appointment. I think they will let me keep the stream on. Blackjack dealer, absolutely. I'll give you a shout out to the dentist. I'll give the dentist a shout out and tell everybody in the area to go get their teeth cleaned at the dentist. So they better. It's a free shout out, man. They better. And then they all better subscribe too. The dentist. I need some dentist subscribers in here. Some saying this can last for another 6 months. Sounds like FUD thoughts. Can't see this going much longer. Jim, I think it could last if nothing changes. If the price stays in the $50 range, $50, $60, $70 range, volume stays high like this, I think that they could draw it out. I mean, we all went all the way up to $80 per share or $72 per share, and we didn't see him cover it. So it could. Dave Raymond, thank you for the super sticker. This is a good one. All right, Dave Raymond with the AMC to Pluto. Thank you very much, Dave Raymond, for the super sticker. We are superheroes. Thank you to AMC. Oh, wait. What am I doing? We were small screen. Yes, we are super stickers taking AMC to Pluto, baby. All the way to the moon. Thank you very much, Dave Raymond. I appreciate that super sticker. Hopefully, I imitated it well enough that it was okay for you, because I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much for doing that. Clay, zoom out and make a new line for us. We might have let's see what's going on with this new line here. Because we're trading kind of sideways right now. But if we can keep this, I'm hoping we can, because it looks like we got a decent little wedge of a downtrend going on here. Yeah, we might see it wedge out right there. So if we don't hold this one, we might have to break out of this wedge down here to the upside. So we'll watch that. Oh, and then we got to move over since I'm taking up the screen. Cool? All right, hopefully we hold this trend line right here. Oh, you guys can't see that. Hopefully we hold this trend line right here. But otherwise, we might be bouncing down in this wedge until we break out. Jeremy says, can you explain why all the YouTube use Ortex? They get their numbers from prime brokers. Prime brokers are the ones who do the majority of the naked shorting, so how can Ortex trust them? First of all, most YouTubers use Ortex because, one, they probably, I don't want to say they're getting their, Ortex is really, really benefiting from the short squeeze. That's why you're going to see Ortex tweeting out numbers all day long about AMC and GameStop and these other meme stocks. They're gathering their following right now. Nobody knew about Ortex before, man, but they are really gathering their following with these meme stocks and all these YouTubers. So that's why they're jumping on it. But Ortex is estimated data until, they get their actual reported information just like we do. So I don't use Ortex as much. Yes, it's nice to look at. It's something to base your numbers on and something to base your investment on. But at the end of the day, you got to remember that it is estimated data, just like you and I could estimate. And I don't even know where they're coming from. Wrong arm. Steve Danger, you are getting technical, man. back to the super chat then, because Steve Danger says wrong arm. Guess what that means? Ahoo! AMC to Pluto. Ahoo! Take it AMC to Pluto. Thank you very much, Dave. And Steve Danger for calling me out on the wrong arm. We got it now. We got it. Fair enough. All right, good deal. Jeremy, at least this is a fair enough answer. I mean, I like to look at Ortex data, but I don't like to really rely on it because it's something that's estimated in itself. Morning, Clay. I have 30% of my total AMC shares on Robinhood. Is it a good idea to start a transfer to my main Fidelity account today with a potential run-up this week? It will take 3 to 5 business days. Latino, with a potential run-up this week, dude, I think that you're okay. Why do I think that you're okay? Because unless the squeeze starts, happens, and finishes before you get those shares into your account to be able to sell them, then, you're going to be fine. Even if the stock runs up this week, you still own those same amount of shares, and they're going to be in your Fidelity account. So say we run up to $60 this week. I mean, unless you plan, or $80 or whatever we go up to this week, unless you plan on selling them in that time frame, it's going to be fine. The transfer is going to be fine. So if you planned on selling those shares in the next 3 to 5 days, whatever your transfer takes, then you might not want to do it. But if you don't plan on selling in the next 3 to 5 days, then it would just be a transfer from one account to the other. What's Lauren's Twitter handle? Good question. And my tablet died, so I can't look up Lauren's Twitter handle right now. Lauren, what's your Twitter handle? You need followers. Get these guys to follow you. They want to know what your Twitter handle is. I just know unusual whales have completely different numbers that seem much more realistic. Yeah, dude, whales, trust me, whales, they're not going to be basing their investments off of investments or speculation unless they're really, really risky whales. If they're really, really risky whales, they might be doing that, but whales... Guys, if they're risking hundreds of millions or billions of dollars, then they're not basing it off estimates. Woohoo! Breakout! It worked! Yes, it held true. I love it, guys. Look at this, man. This is perfect technical analysis, too. You got the downward wedge forming, and you've got this upward trend. Not only did the upward trend hold true, but it broke out right here, where the trend and the wedge met. I mean, that is just beautiful. Beautiful. I don't think Robinhood would do anything again from what they pulled last time. They got in serious trouble, but who knows? I also agree with that, Luca. I think that Robinhood would have a very hard time doing anything dangerous or risky or dumb. I mean, they've got such a bad rap for what happened before. T is about to win stupid prizes. T asterisk it was stupid. I want prizes, man. It's probably better than Lauren says that herself anyways. Yes, it is probably better that Lauren says her Twitter her anyways. So Lauren. Latino Heat! Thank you for the super sticker, Latino Heat. Thank you very much. And I do not know how to do this one, but thank you very much for the hard eyes. Thank you very much for the hard eyes, Latino, man. I appreciate that. Hopefully my eyes turned into hearts, because that was a very difficult one when you have to change the makeup of your human being body. It is difficult to do, so thank you. What? That's what you get, man. That's a heart eye emoji, Matt. I'm telling you, man. You pop in at the wrong time. It comes in hot like that. Routine maintenance, all trading suspended for 4 hours. Yeah, during the short squeeze. Robinhood, routine maintenance. Love this guy. Steez TV, man. Glad you're in here. I love you too. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. Never mind if she's a magnet. I don't know. Lauren is an amazing girl. Please remember that. I will tell you, I will stand up and defend Lauren all day, every day, because Lauren is awesome. So, yeah, dude. Back off my Lauren now. Come on. Ah, bro, you were mad. Crypto. No, I'm not. I'm happy. What do you mean I'm mad? So happy, dude, all the time. Just ruined my morning. Phineas, that is what I am here for. Ruining and making mornings all day long. So please, if I ruined it, stick around so that I can make it even better. Let's go, Hodl, San Francisco Gorilla. Glad to have you in the house. We are holding here. Sponsored by My Pillow Guy. Yes, My Pillow Guy. Has anybody talked to Mike? We need to get him on the channel. We need to have Mike and Ape Father on the channel at the same time. That would be a blast. Black, yeah, definitely not selling this week. And yeah, most of my shares are on Fidelity already. Latino, in that case, man, I think you'd probably be... If you don't plan on selling this week, dude, I think you're going to be okay doing a transfer. I mean, hey, who knows? The squeeze could happen this week, right? I can't tell you it is transfer. The squeeze is never going to happen or whatever. But if you don't plan on selling, like if you're comfortable thinking that the squeeze is going to take longer than at least this week to start and finish, you're doing good. I was like... It was people like Stonk Puppets. I left the other channel, but no wrench, so I can just hide it without getting slapped for abusing my wrench. Cassie, nobody gets abused. Nobody gets slapped for abusing their wrench powers in here. We got some of the best mods in the game in this chat right now, and you can hang out with us all day long. Actually, you can't hang out with us all day long. We probably break for lunch and then come back, so you can hang out with us all morning long and all afternoon long. Can we please keep politics out of here? We could. I don't have a problem with that. But if you guys want to talk politics, just remember, Ape Father will be running for president one day. So, vote for that man. I'm stalking My Pillow Guy. Give me a few more days. Perfect, Blackjack Dealer. Let's get him going. Lauren is a queen. 100% agree with that, Mr. Perry. It can turn ugly. Guys, just listen. Is there anything ugly about this? Is there anything ugly? Yes, that was ugly. That's as ugly as we're going to get in here. So please, you want to get ugly, or we're going to get ugly. JD, no. JD, don't leave. Don't leave, JD. Doc, don't make JD leave. We're all good. We're all hanging out. And we're all watching AMC trend higher. Guys, keep in mind, I did morning live streams all week last week and watched AMC go down and close in the red and go sideways all week. Finally, I am not to blame for the redness because we are up 4.5% this morning. AMC is doing great, and I am happy for it. What up, buddy? What's going on, Sean? Probably something to advise people. Apes need to stick together. Absolutely. We have one goal, and that is to squeeze the hedge funds and make as much money as possible. That chart is looking ugly. That chart is looking great. The chart looks great. After the squeeze, we can start our own party. Red party, blue party, yellow party. Yes, we can call it whatever color we want. The purple party. The chart is looking amazing, man. Look at this chart right here. That looks amazing. AMZ Pluto. Wait, we don't really need this downward wedge anymore, though. We can get rid of the downward wedge because we are holding true on this uptrend. I like it. I like it. I've heard that we will know we hit the peak when we have 3 days of lower lows. What do you think? Radwan, no. I don't think that would be a good indication that we've hit the peak, man. I don't think. Because... let's see this. What is this right here? What is that right there? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. Technically not lower lows, but those are 3 down days in a row. So if you're going on a strictly daily chart, but I don't know what time frame you're going to be looking at and trying to hit lower lows. Like if you're saying, okay, boom, that's a low, and then we came down and hit another low, and we hit it. So I don't know what you're going off of the lower lows, but this would technically be 3 low days right here in a row. So I would say no, don't go off 3 lower lows. AMZ to Pluto. All right, keep that up. All right, so nice, right above the picture. Very good, guys. Very good. Filthy, disgusting, stupid, amazing, beautiful chart. What is up, apes? What's going on, Latino? Hey, man, Saab, what's going on? I meant last week. Now I didn't even see what you said before that. Oh, the chart looking ugly. Gotcha, Doc. Gotcha. Yes, the chart last week was ugly. And yet, you guys still hung out with me, so thank you very much for that. Matt, any option plans today? Matt, Vigilante, you hitting up the options today? Let us know. What do you think volume will be today? Well, let's see here. I think the volume today, if we are at 30 million shares and we're an hour in, then we could easily get up to 120 million shares traded today. But we might end up in the 90 million share range because people tend to take lunch breaks and so on. So 90 million, I think it's going to be today. I would love it much lower though. I would like it if we didn't even have 29 million shares traded the entire day. I would like that. Sideways action makes me nauseous. Obviously still holding though. Aunt Megan, it makes a lot of people nervous for sure. Sideways action is just kind of boring, right? Check Ortex. What are we looking at Ortex for, Saab? What are we looking at Ortex for? Cassie, I want to see a Nessie, LOL, super technical term from another channel. Okay, then I don't know that channel. What's a Nessie? Let us know. Let us know what a Nessie is, because I don't know that other channel, but I'm loving this trend line. My goodness. Creeping up 19% short interest. Ooh, continue shorting, shorts. Continue shorting. We want to watch AMC get so short. I want to watch AMC get shorted that it's like we hold the $50 range, but it turns out that there's like 180% short interest out on AMC. Not 18, 180. Sideways is good when we have shorts trying to push us down. Yeah, I mean, it means we're holding. We're consolidating that price range. We don't even have to worry about those shorts pushing us down because it's not working for them. Why before were we looking for high volume, but now we were looking for low volume? Aunt Megan, I don't think that I was ever looking for high volume. A lot of other people were looking for high volume because they think that high volume equals high prices. When it's not true, guys. High volume equals high volatility, high momentum. It doesn't necessarily mean high prices. You can have extremely high volume, but extremely lower prices that day. High volume just means that the stock price is going to move more. Now, sure, if you got a lot of buyers coming in, that's going to drive volume up and it's going to drive the price up. But if you've got a lot of sellers, it means the stock price is going down. Stocks can go up on high volume and they can go down on high volume. Low volume is what really means that we're holding the stock and we're not allowing the hedge funds to buy it back. Can we get a side pool going on if Ken Griffin wears naked jorts to the Citadel July 4th barbecue? Yes, let's get a side pool going. Yes, I got it that he does wear naked jorts to the barbecue. And I will be there, so I'll let you know if he does or not. Great point, ClayBro. Great point, Ron Ronson. Thank you for being in here and saying that I had a great point on something. I appreciate that. What do you think? The fish on the moon are safe to eat? Latino, I believe the fish on the moon are safe to eat. Yes, absolutely. I'll be the first one to try one. I never thought of it like that. Kayla, well, Kayla, that is the entire point. That is the entire point of this entire channel and these entire Q&As, are to give you a different perspective. To give you my opinion, a different perspective. If you disagree with it, great. At least you got that different perspective. You can go out, you can test it you want, you can see if it backs up and checks out. And if it doesn't, perfect. At least you are stronger in your convictions and that you are stronger in your opinion. And if you got that different perspective and you want to roll with it, perfect as well, man. Perfect as well. I want you to see my perspective, Matt's perspective, Trey's perspective, Matt's investor, everybody's perspective. And then roll with that and make your own decisions based on it. You don't have to do what I do. You don't have to do or think what I think. But at least listen and then make up your own mind. AMZ to Pluto. And since the 002 came in, volume reduced significantly. Your views on that? I don't know. I don't think the volume has reduced significantly. I think the volume has been reduced because of this right here, man. Volume really rockets up on days like this when you're going here and you're breaking out of this resistance. Look, volume's kind of low here. We broke up higher. We were testing that 1450 again, right? We couldn't make it. And then we break out of 1450. This is what happens when you break resistance, guys. Right here is the day we break out, right? And then all of the technical traders jump on. And then watch volume. When you break out of that resistance, boom, boom. Volume is way up, right? Volume, a little down day here, right? High volume. Boom! It continues to rocket up because we were breaking out of that technical resistance and moving higher with nothing in the way to stop us. So, and look, we had very high volume here. 589 million shares traded, but we closed, I mean, look at that dip. Sure, we moved back up, but look at the dip all the way back down to $36 when the high of the day was $68. So, volume doesn't necessarily mean it, but people get distracted and people get bored when we move sideways, and that's why volume just consolidates a little bit. I don't think it has to do with W2, but right now, I mean, if we bust out of this line right here, please expect volume to bring in a whole new breed of traders again. AMC Bluto. Ow! Robinhood, we continue to monitor market conditions and may add or remove symbols that may be warranted. Oh my gosh. Good job, Robinhood. Good job. Continue heat. No way. Once there's a single grass stain, those become yard work shoes. And you head to Walmart for another $19.99 for a new pair. Yes. Single grass. Guys, I wear grass stained shoes all day long. Oh yeah, look at those green candles coming in right now. 57.50, busting out to the upside. What do we got here for the daily level of resistance? What's the daily high? Let's get that. Come on, guys. Let's get this. I don't know if you can see it on your charts right now. We should probably make these a little bit bolder. Might be hard to see on the phone. I only like cargo shorts at the fair to carry extra camera gear around. Being the crazy camera lady with multiple cameras. Cassie, got some cargo shorts on right now, so you're in the right place. There's 15 people that need to hit the like button. Come on, 15 people, hit the like button. Let's go. M. James ClayBro, why has my option purchase rejected? Here is the message. Opening orders for non-standard options need to be placed with a broker. M. James, I actually have no idea. I have no idea, man. I would imagine that you're placing that option order with your broker, right? I would assume that it's just some sort of an error. I've never seen that rejection before. Latino Heat says, Clay, we hit $58 today. Can me and Brett dip our tendies in your Nutella jar? I do not have any Nutella jars, but if I did, yes, you could. Doc didn't see it. It's not on Weeble or Fidelity. It is not on Weeble or Fidelity. You don't know what Doc was talking about. Adam, I just told you, didn't man. It's some 2 million people watched movies at AMC in the United States theater locations between Thursday, June 24th and Sunday, June 27th. These are the biggest number recorded by AMC since March 2020. Very nice, crypto. Very nice. It means demand is rising, boys and girls. Demand is rising. TD Ameritrade, I also noticed it was 50 share contracts instead of 100 shares. M. James, that's really weird. I've also never seen a 50 share contract. TD Ameritrade must have some weird things going on out there, man. I've never seen a 50 share contract, and I've also never seen that message because it's like you were not even trying to place it through your broker, which is weird. Good morning, Clay. I hope you're having a beautiful day and work on our way to Pluto. Unfortunately, I'm playing in Springfield, Missouri. Joseph, I don't know what the problem is with Springfield, Missouri, man, but glad to have you in here. And yes, the morning is going very well so far. Look at this stinking resistance, man. Guys, I don't draw these lines to be, to after the move happens, but this level of resistance, guys, we got to bust through it if we expect to go higher today. Okay, I'll screenshot and send you your Twitter. M. James, I'll answer it in T+21 for sure. I don't understand if Torch wasn't listed on Robinhood, but the fact that it's not on Weeble or Fidelity seems weird. Yes, that is weird. I wish my tablet was working right now, but my tablet is dead. So, M. James, I'll have to see that tweet after the stream, though, because my tablet did die. I could go plug it in, though, right now. I think I might, because I have to pee. Brett says, draw a line at 1 trillion. I should, dude. Why did I even draw this line here in the first place? I mean, this one's perfect, but, like, why do I even have this line on here right now? We would have just busted right through that if I didn't put that there. It's always my fault, dude. It's always my fault. Listen, guys, 109 people. There better be 109 people in here when I get back. I'm going to go pee real quick, and I'm also going to plug my tablet in so that I can at least have it for the afternoon stream. So give me 2 seconds, and since you guys like to listen for the faucet and everything, I'll leave the audio on. You can make sure I wash my hands since everybody's so concerned about that. But plug the tablet in. Give me 2 seconds. Uh, 104. Why did you guys leave? Come on, 5 people. What are you doing? All right, what do we got? At least you go. I'm telling you, Kayla, I'm going to sit here and I'll either start sweating or I'll start crying. And we are real people here. We use the restroom. We also eat food. And we make money on AMC. So you got to do what you got to do, man. I know that you guys have to go to the bathroom too. So if you got to go, you got to go, right? You just go. It ain't weird. It happens. Latino. You're ridiculous, man. It's not the faucet. I promise you, I don't know what you guys heard. But that was the faucet, alright? Yes. Oh my gosh. You guys are nuts, man. You guys are nuts. Dude, if Matt, I will tell you this right now. If Matt doesn't, I'm drinking coffee. I've got a water bottle here. I have never watched a full day of Matt's stream, but let's just talk about this for 2 seconds, okay? If that dude does not go to the bathroom for 8 hours, he's got to be wearing a diaper, because there's no way that I could do that. There's no way. Brett says drain the swamp, man. I'm telling you. Listen, you can't sit here and drink coffee and expect to sit here for like 6 hours. You can't do it. Good morning, Denise Renee. How are you? You having a good morning, Denise? Let us know. Miss Renee. Torch merged with Metamaterials. It is now listed as MMAT or MMATF. This is actually where I was trying to buy that option contract that was rejected. Very interesting, M. James. Very interesting. Here's a bag. Yes, somebody, you might have a catheter. I don't know. Wish you were dedicated enough to wear a diaper. Steve Danger, should we make it happen, man? Should we make it happen? Should I put on the diaper and just stay in front of the camera instead of going pee like a normal person? I've seen him do it. He takes breaks. I've seen him do it. Ron Ronson has seen the mysterious Matt take a break to go to the restroom. Matt has a catheter. Dude, that would be some severe stream dedication. If you went to the hospital, you went to the doctor and it was like, yes, I need to live stream for 7-8 hours a day, so I'm absolutely going to need a catheter installed. Please make this happen. And then they were just like, okay, we can make it happen. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. I would just walk away for a minute and a half or whatever I walked away for. Looks like an ascending level of support is holding nicely today. I think here's the deal, though. What are we going to do? And I'm not trying to scare anybody, but what are we going to do? Where were we now? I think we were right in here. Yeah, what are we going to do when we get right here. That's what we need to figure out. It actually looks like we might not even get there now that I extended that line. Rip. Just get a bottle. Jiu-Jitsu boy. I'll just go to the bathroom. No one said you had to go to the doctor to get a catheter. Danger, it's what friends are for, right? Says you don't have to go to the doctor. Now that's what friends are for. Danger, I need some assistance. I need some assistance, Danger. I think he might be, Nick F. I think he might be. Steve Danger, I want to do a 7-hour stream with no restroom breaks. I need some assistance, man. Good morning. Today is going to be a great day. For those dying in the heat, rest in peace. I'm dying too, but the only thing that keeps me cool is AMC going to the moon. Ecclesiastes, absolutely. It's not terribly hot here, but... And Denise Renee says, we actually can't see if you just used a cup. That is true, and I will not be proving one way or another if I used a cup or an actual toilet. So there will be no proof of that. And Denise Renee says, I will assist you. Well, Steve Danger, if you're gonna be a no-go, then Denise Renee says that she will be of assistance. So I'm glad that I've got some assistance on the catheter if we want to make these 7-hour live streams happen. Thank you very much, guys, for being so supportive. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Rocket says, catheter, Jamal Jackson, seashell horn. Oh, Jamal Jackson, calling Jamal Jackson. Where are you? We need your help, Jamal. Get in the stream right now. ClayBro, let's go. Let's go, MD. We are riding this. We will oh, come on. We broke the level of support. I don't like it. We'll bounce back up. Don't worry. We'll bounce back up. What is the next day that shorts need to cover in options? Sean, so when options expire on Friday, they have those T+2 to deliver those shares, but that's not necessarily a short, right? If they need to go out and cover options, it's not a short squeeze. Those aren't short shares. I mean, technically, if they sold those options, they would need to cover those. So I can see where you might be getting that from. But Friday's expirations would lead to a Monday or Tuesday I don't know, transaction or whatever you would want to call it. Dirty rotten scoundrels. I wrote to Matt too. I asked him to pee. Andrea, you got to keep healthy, guys. Kayla, thank you for writing to Matt and reminding him to look. We got a full water bottle here. Got to stay hydrated, especially if we're talking all day long. And you got coffee, man, because it's the morning, right? To summon Jamal, you have to light up the foot signal on the roof. Yes, you got to do that. Or we could shine the light. Oh, man, we're here. We got to shine the light on the bro sign. All right, bro sign lit up. Jamal Jackson, where are you, my friend? Come to us. Come to us, Jamal. Cup and handle forming. Ooh, possibly. Pretty shallow. Pretty shallow cup on a 1-minute chart. Thanks for explaining, Sean. Thank you for... Listen, that's what this is all about, man. It's a Q&A, right? We're watching AMC move. We're analyzing the chart, throwing some trend lines out there. And the whole thing is a Q&A. So if you guys have questions about AMC, please ask your questions about AMC. No matter how basic you might think the question, please get it out there. Nobody here is judging whether or not you just got into AMC. If you don't have any shares of AMC, if you're trying to figure out whether or not you want to buy AMC, this is the place. It's Matt Cup. That's why he doesn't pee. It might be. It might be. Cup and handle got me banned from the gentleman's club. Brett, I could, yes, it might do that. Talking about cup and handle, yeah. It'll get you banned pretty quick there. Torch become MMAT. That's why they aren't listed on Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webull. Adam, thank you for the public service announcement. There were a lot of people concerned with that. I am not up on Torch. I'm not trading Torch. I don't know too much about it, but if you are out there, hey, I guess people are making some decent money on it. So that's why your stream is the best. You rock, Sean. You rock, man. I want everybody here to be 100% on board with their investment. So if If you guys got any questions, please ask. Neither am I. Well, Adam, yes, but thank you for bringing that to everybody's attention that was wondering about that. I literally just said that, M. James. You did, but there are people in here who missed it. You can scroll up and see that M. James did see it. I remember. Said that a minute ago. 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. And get it scroll up pretty far. M. James, you should just say it more often, man. You should just say, you gotta scroll up super far. Like 3 scrolls of the mouse to see that. No Russ, just the SHFs will cover when they are good and ready. Short hedge funds, maybe, Marky. Yes, I think I got that there. Just chilling. I'm just chilling too. We were watching AMC get back above. Okay, hopefully this doesn't act as resistance now. Hopefully this is still decent level of support. I mean, we might be moving into this level here. Might end up looking something like that. And if it does, ladies and gentlemen. We will watch it break out through that resistance level right now. Crypto, yeah. Denise Renee, did you read the article about losing companies raising money? 1,000 of them to be exact, but they only mentioned AMC. Did you read it? I did not read that article. And I did not see that losing companies are raising money. 1,000 companies are trying to raise money because they're what? Losing money on AMC? Or what was the point of the article? Sup, Clay? It feels like we're going to have an awesome week. Strong, ape strong. It does, Hector. It does feel like that to me. All right, Clay. I sent you a couple peculiar screenshots. Perfect. M. James. The tablet is charging right now. I'm going to check those out probably after the stream because I doubt it charges up good enough to do now. Yo, Joe Roberts, would you like to explain what you meant about Lauren earlier? Not sure if it was rude, but it didn't look good. He doesn't need to. I don't think he needs to explain anything about Lauren. Lauren is. We got Lauren's back. Okay, I'm back. I was driving. Lauren, glad you were back. Were you listening while you were driving, though? That's what we don't know. Rocket is in the chat, guys. Make sure to throw out some good mornings to Rocket. Good time to get some crypto. It's going to jump after the squeeze. It probably will jump after the squeeze, guys. I think a lot of people who are invested in AMC will move their gains over to crypto. Thanks for answering my question. Do you or any of your subscribers know where I can trade AMC options in the UK? I can't find any broker that has options. Rodwan, maybe, I don't know if Crypto Rocketeer knows. There are several people in here who live in the UK, but I have no idea about any UK brokers, man. I really don't. I don't even know. I can't even name a broker in the UK, so I would not be able to help you with that, but maybe somebody else might be able to help you. Chris says smash the like button, please, guys. Smash the like. You let YouTube know that we have fun in here, man. Let them know, because I swear YouTube thinks that we're some fuddy-duddies, and all we do is talk about FUD all day. And we're a bunch of duds, because they don't share the stream with anybody. I just like a little light trash talking. No offense intended. All right, a little light trash talking. All right, good with the little light trash. We can all handle, and we should all be prepared for a little light trash talking. You know why? Because it makes us stronger people. We are not here to get offended. We are not here to get our feelings hurt. If you have feelings, guys, would you not let your friends make fun of you a little bit? Would you? I mean, come on. I get Steve Danger and Denise Renee competing to see who the first person to set my catheter is going to be. So, of course, we have fun, all right? We go AMC to Pluto. Rocket is in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the George W. Let's watch it, and let's watch it break out to the upside, please. Please do not get stuck at this resistance level again. Oh, we got another one. Rocket and Lauren in the chat. Oh, yes. Screw your feelings, Clay. I know, really hooked. I know. And you know what happens when you do that? You know what happens when you let your feelings go? You have a good time. You have fun. Dude, tell me right now that you're not having fun, because I know you're lying if you tell me that you're not having fun right now. Feelings are just feelings, man. We're here to have some fun and make some money. Eggs today, Clay? Dude, you know what? I think I ran out of eggs yesterday. And I don't think I have any more. Crap. If that's the case, then no eggs. But I'm trying to picture the fridge right now, and I don't think that I have any eggs in there. Terrible. Probably not even going to be able to eat today. I'm going to be so hungry. Can you do a quick explanation of what RSI is, what is oversold and undersold? Yes, Chris, we can do a quick explanation of RSI. Absolutely. Check it out, man. So you go on Webull, you throw your indicators up there. Relative Strength Index, that is RSI. We can bring it up a little bit bigger so you guys can see it, maybe. We can bring it up a little bit bigger so you can see it. Now, look, this is on an intraday level. It's not going to be as, not going to be as good on an intraday level. You might want to look at it a little bit more. So, overbought territory would be up here above 70, right? If RSI is above 70, that means it's overbought, and you could watch it fall back off to the downside. Now, if you were day trading, if you were technically day trading AMC, and you were using a 1-minute chart, like you're a crazy day trader, you like risk, you would want to sell it when it breaks down below this and comes back down into, normal territory or whatever, not overbought territory anymore. You would sell it down here and watch it ride it back down. So you got in right here, roughly you sold right here, and then I don't know what your take profit would be or whatever, but you were at least able to make we're looking at 1-minute charts, remember. But if you got in here using RSI, you sold it at 57.18, and then let's say you were able to go all the way back down to 56. $1 a share, that's good. If you're day trading on AMC, $1 a share, it's a couple percent gain, and it worked out for you. If you were going to buy AMC, right, you would be looking at here. AMC's down here. This is oversold territory on the relative strength index. You would buy it when it breaks above the $30 level. So you would have bought AMC here this morning, let's just say roughly right here on this candle. I don't know. You got in at 55. And then whatever your take profit, whatever you would want to make your take profit, if you strictly trade the RSI, you might get out right here. And you were able to get into from 55 to, what was that? 55 to 57, 57.50. So that's how you would use RSI, the relative strength index, buying oversold territory coming back in, and then overbought territory coming back in. That's how you would use that indicator. If it is something you were looking to do, hopefully that explanation was pretty intuitive and easy to understand. But yes, Denise Renee, don't day trade AMC, period. No, I know, I was just using it on an AMC graph, but you can use the RSI on any stock for that matter. It's just you could use it for entries and exits and stuff like that. So hopefully, I know I forget who, Chris asked that question. Hopefully, Chris, that was a decent explanation and you were able to understand it. Clay has mastered the art of not giving a... Listen, guys, I give. I'm a giver. I like to think of myself as a giver. The green eggs were my favorite when I lived on a farm and raised free-range chickens. Cassie, I've never had a green egg. Did you pair that with ham? Get it? Did anybody else get that? Steve Danger, should I take this Friday off to extend my celebration of freedom? Steve Danger, absolutely. Yes. And then Monday. So Monday, 4th of July, happening on a Monday. I don't know if we're going to do like a full stream. We might just do like one of the weekend streams where we hang out for an hour or whatever, but keep that in mind. Thanks, Clay. Absolutely, Chris. Thank you for having such a good question. I know a lot of people, guys, you might have a question out there and you might think that, well, everybody else in this chat knows what that is, or everybody else in this chat knows what he's currently talking about. If you don't, I can all but guarantee you there's also somebody else that either is lost on the topic or doesn't know what something means. Please don't be afraid to ask, because you're not the only one, and somebody else is really going to benefit from it as well. And if I don't know that you guys got questions, I don't know that I should explain something better, or should I should talk a little bit more about it. So please, make sure to do that. I quit day trading AMC. Wish I still had those 5-something shares I began with. Oh, yeah, Cassie. Day trading AMC is a dangerous thing, and it adds to the volumes, and it's going to bail the hedge funds out. So I wouldn't recommend doing it, but, a lot of people made a lot of money. Clay, check out what I messaged you when you get a chance. I've never seen anything like this while trading. M. James, I've never seen anything like it while trading either, man, so I'm definitely going to have to look at that. Was the ham green? Yes. Neo Wolf, the ham is probably green as well. Cassie, we need to know, was the ham green? Green eggs? But this? What? I missed that one. Steve, were you incarcerated? What? I use RSI and MACD a good amount. What are some other good indicators for buy and sell opportunities? Yeah, MACD is a good one. Also, if you want to use moving average crossovers, a lot of people use let's see, if you get some like 5-minute bars on here, we can see how it holds out today. But if you've got some 5-minute bars, you could use a 3-day or 3-period and a 8-period moving average. Those would be, what are the moving averages? These are 5 and 10. Okay, well, if I start to, yeah, now it's going to lock up. So let's just give Weeble a break. Okay, well, 3, 8, done. Maybe those are on there now. Yeah, so if you wanted to use a 3 and an 8 moving average crossover, you could definitely do that. And that would look like this. So if you didn't want to use the MACD and you wanted to use something else, you get the 3 and the 8 moving average crossover here. It leads to some good buying and selling opportunities as well. Something else that you could add to your, I always forget to switch back to full screen Weeble. So that leads to something else that you guys could do. Like you had your crossover right here, you would have got in, rode it all the way up, back to the crossover right here, and got out. And with the volatility on AMC right now, especially on a 1-minute chart, you're looking at some big gains. But if you were using a 5-minute chart, you would have got in right here, and it would have got you out right here. So you would have gone all the way from 53, 54, and then you would have got out at 55, 80. So you'd have made a $2 gain per share on that one. So 3 and the 8 crossover is something to use too if you wanted to use some, pretty quick day trades or potential swing trades based on what chart you're looking at there. But let's get back to a 1-minute chart on AMC. So we can watch this trend line hold out because that is what we need to see. Will we hold out? Will we break above this resistance right here? I hope we do. Cookie's here. Cookie's here! Oh my goodness. Cookie, we miss you too. Where you been lately? We're glad that you are in here. Whoa, wow. Cookie appears. Everybody. It's like Pokemon, man. Bring, 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 bring. Whatever that noise was when you ran into a Pokemon. Oh, wow, Cookie has appeared. What should we do? Run away or fight? Paul says, 2 questions. Is consolidation a good thing, and what exactly is happening when a stock consolidates? Yeah, consolidation is a good thing, okay? Consolidation can be boring, right? But consolidation simply means that stock is trying to find acceptance at that price. If it's moving sideways, if it's consolidating around a certain price level, oh yeah, look at that candle. Bouncing off that resistance. Are we going to break it? Are we going to break it? Say yes or no in the chat. Do we sustain this move? Do we sustain this move above resistance? Guys, throw a yes or no in the chat right now, please. Oh, my goodness. Go, 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 go. Yes. We're going to keep it. We're going to do it. Yes. Oh, my goodness gracious. I love it. I love it. Man, that is a healthy candle, too. Oh, my goodness. Perfect. Broke that resistance level. Now let's keep it. Let's keep it. Oh, yeah. Destroyed that level of resistance. Oh, yeah. Matt Perry says, yup, we got that one. I love it. AMC is a grower, not a shower, ladies and gentlemen. And we are growing right now. Did y'all miss me? Of course we missed you, Cookie. Why wouldn't the Clay Gang miss the Cookie? We need you. JT Wisco says, holy crap, with that breakout candle. Oh, yeah. It's about freaking time. Oh, yes, guys. Oh, yes. And SD says, nice. We've got a breakout of that resistance right there. She's a ripper. She's a ripper. Looks like ClayBro Looks like when ClayBro wakes up in the morning, I'm telling you guys, there's a dead ringer right there. Dead ringer. Rocket. I don't know how you know, man. I don't know how you know, but that is exactly right. I show up and the stock looks like that AMC cookie. You need to stay in here with us now. When you are here, good things happen. We got those big candles when you show up. So please, did you just comb your hair over to the left? Dude, I'm telling you, it does not work. It does not work. JD Correa, thank you for the super chat. I don't even Badumtis? Oh, a drum. Badumtis? Like, is that what that means? All right, Badumtis. All right, cool. We're good with that one. Badumtis. That's the drum sound on a joke punchline. Come on, ClayBro. Thought you were in the know. JD Correa, I am absolutely not in the know, dude. So the fact that you just explained that to me, thank you very much, because I probably would have never gotten that. Never. So yes, thank you very much for doing that. And yes, Eric, this is what happens when you try to do the comb over to the right side. It does not work. The best we can come up with, man, is like straight up and down with a little swoop to the left, but that's all we got. Oh, beautiful breakout of that resistance. Now guess what we get to do? We get to use it as support. So perfect. You guys have ruined Clay. Absolutely not. They are making or breaking the Clay, and we are making Clay right now. He is not ruined. But you guys, man, I'm telling you. Clay, fix your hair. M. James, the hair is fixed. You're in the know now. Neil Wolf, now I am in the know. I never would have known that before if you guys didn't help me out. So thank you very much. How do we gamma squeeze 60? Do we need to close above 60, get close to it, or what happens? Creighton. So if you wanted to cause a gamma squeeze, I don't know how many options are going to be expiring in the money at $60 per share, but yes, we are molding the Clay. I like it, Brett. I like it. But yeah, you would have to close above that you would have to close above that strike price at the expiration date, and those stock options get exercised, and that increased demand covering those calls would cause the stock price to rise. OMG, Clay, just comb that crow's nest over. You know it works. Dude, it does not. I'm telling you, man, it does not work. Steven says, Rocket, I did not. Bought some Callaways recently, so hopefully won't be buying more until I'm rich from the squeeze. We're talking about golf clubs, right? We're talking about golf clubs. Mm-hmm. But nice rim shot. Clay Bay, how are our two baby chipmunks? Doing good. I have not seen them this morning. Cookie, but yesterday, that dude was, I'm telling you, that chipmunk is going to be like throwing parties over the winter with his storehouse, because that dude is just like stocking up. Steve Danger there, sexy playing the T200s right now. Which did you get? Still talking golf clubs, so you guys are leaving me in the dust with your club talk. Leaving me in the dust with your club talk. If AMC gets trending on social media, we can have a big day. Absolutely, we can. JD Chris says support. Yes, support. Showing 10 strikes out at the money. Okay, good. At the moment, sorry. At the moment. Thank you very much, Joe. That's what it's called, after a joke. M. James, man. Everybody's teaching. Everybody, please. If you do not know, I will tell you right now, I have no idea what all of these popular terms are. And I can talk about relative strength index, but rim shots? Badumtis? No, not me. So thank you for explaining. I don't feel bad for asking you what it means, so you shouldn't feel bad for asking me what it means. Deal? Shake on it. Deal. Perfect. Clay, let's put this to the test. Seriously, we are at 58 right now. Coming over the other side, and if it hits 60, then I'm right. Okay? Deal. Deal. Look, we were to the right side, right? God, I can't do it, man. It looks so weird. I can't do it. It throws me off. I don't even know. Ladies, if you're in here, hello. Ladies, if you're in here, say hello to Cookie. She's trying to tell you hello. Let's see those calls execute in the money. Absolutely. Joe, hey Clay, where are you from? I am from Ohio. Saab, where are you from? Relative Strength Index is the game at the carnival you hit with a sledgehammer. Yes, it is. And guess what? I can make that little I don't even know what that thing is, but I surely can't ding that bell, man. I surely can't. I need to get my relative strength up a little bit. Clay's from Pluto. I've been sent here from my fellow Plutonians to help you guys make some money on the short squeeze. So please share the live stream on Twitter. Lauren says, imagine how I feel coming from the UK listening to you guys. Hard to understand sometimes. I think I'm getting there though. Lauren, at least you have the excuse that you live in a different country on a different continent. I have no excuse. So, please, keep that in mind, guys. I have no excuse. I'm just lame. Cookie, everybody's saying good morning to Cookie. Perfect. Oh, Lauren, you got that British accent? She might. Let's go, bro. N2D2. Let's go, man. Let's go. We're going to use this level as support now. I like it. I like it. You're welcome. Oh, my goodness, Crypto. Hello. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, my goodness. Okay, Crypto. Now, I got it. There were a lot of periods in there, so we're good. We're good to go now. AMC forming a tight wedge. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, and the good news is that we're going to continue rising off this support level. Where is this level, actually? 58? Yeah, basically 5780. 5780 is going to be a very good level of support now. I like it. Let's go to 60. And D says, let's go to 60. Let's do it. Let's go 60, guys. I did say hi and ask how you were already, Cookie. All right, very good. Thanks, M. James. You've always got my back. He does. I like it. M. James and Lauren have always got each other's backs. Very good. Somebody needs to have my back. I need some help on my back. Hi, Cookie. JD Correa's getting in there saying hi, Cookie. Hello, how are you? Glad to have you in here. AMZ to Pluto. You know what's cool, though? You know what's cool? We typically have about 100 to 120 people in here in the mornings. We still have 100 to 120 people in here on a morning. Is Trey still live? I don't know if Trey's still live. But on a morning when Trey is streaming, the Masked Investor is live, and Mr. Course is live. We still have the same amount of people in here, so thank you guys very much for hanging out. I love it. Cookie, get over here. Clay needs some help on his back. Get over there. Yes, Clay needs some help on his back. Please, somebody get my back. I swear, when I think I'm over Clay, I have him on my TV for 5 minutes, and he pulls me right back in. What if I'm on the TV right now? Look, we got to go big screen. We got to go big screen if we're on the TV, and we got to talk directly to Cookie, and I know she likes it for some reason when I say quesadilla. So, Cookie, quesadilla. Oh, ridiculous. Oh, ClayBro, stop the nonsense. Is it possible for another dip? Absolutely, Fernando. Why wouldn't it be? We've all got your back, Clay. Thank you very much, Lauren, for having my back. I need some support, guys, so please, you got my back? You got my back. Perfectly. Perfect. Thank you very much. Jake says yes. About the dip? I don't know what Jake was saying yes. Oh, no. Good morning from Long Island, New York, my beautiful ape gang. Now I see Jake's previous message. Glad to have you here from Long Island, man. Melted quesadilla over here. Ooh. Making me hungry, guys. Making me hungry. I got about an hour till I can eat some lunch, but don't make me hungry just yet. Who do you think defends you on Reddit? M. James, you are a brave man if you can defend me on Reddit. A very, very brave man. Were you in here, M. James, like 2 or 3 days ago when that Lee dude was coming in hot, seeing that, you know, I'm a fuddy-duddy on Reddit, and he was coming in hot saying that all I ever do is spread FUD, and the fact that I'm saying this isn't going to be easy makes people want to give up? Dude, if that makes you want to give up, if I say that this isn't going to be easy and you want to give up, I don't think you understand, like, a lot of things about life. So, please. Please. Wouldn't a cookie quesadilla just be an ice cream sandwich? Oh my gosh, a cookie quesadilla. Brett, now I'm really hungry. I need to eat a cookie quesadilla, man. Reddit Schmedit. I know, Lauren. I know. These people don't like me, and I don't know why. I've seen LE in other streams too. Does he do the same thing, M. James? Or is it only for me? Yeah, don't be a Dave Portney, please. I would want to give up more if someone told me it was going to be easy and then it wasn't. Exactly, Brett. But I feel like a lot of people do say that it's going to be extremely easy. Now, the whole game plan is easy. Like, it is easy to buy and hold the stock. Like, that's not hard to do. But it's not going to be easy in the fact that you're not going to be tempted on the way up. I mean, think about it. There's probably people who have already 20x their portfolios and we're tempted to take their profits. And I believe we're just getting started. So the temptation's there. It's not going to be easy not to do it. It's not going to be easy to just simply hold when you're making so much money. But, yeah. And it's not going to be the hedge funds just aren't going to give us all their money. NT, thank you for the super sticker. NT, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I don't know what we're waiting for, but we will wait for it, NT. Absolutely. We will wait for it. Hopefully you guys agree, and you're waiting for it as well. Anyone else receive phone calls from their brokerage asking if they can borrow your shares to loan out? Jake, I have not received a... I'm just going to be honest with you. I may have received a phone call from my broker, but if I don't have your number in my phone, I'm not answering the call. So, possibly, but I don't know. Birds chirping, yes. James, the birds woke up or something, man. He's probably lost shilling to Matt Kors right now. He might be, M. James. He might. I can't even log into Matt's stream right now and see what his chat looks like. I'm sure it looks ridiculous, though. I defended him on YouTube. Thank you very much, Cookie. Thank you very much. I need that. Birds chat, yeah. Matt would kick his butt out of there without a blink. Well, here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal, though. The guy had some legitimate questions, and I don't know if he was just trying to, stir up trouble, or if he was, asking legitimate questions. But that's what the whole thing's about, man. If you got questions about AMC, if you want to, I don't know, if you want to test my beliefs on it, if you want to test my views, absolutely. Go ahead. Ask your questions. I really don't have a problem if you disagree with the stuff that I say. And I don't think that he was being rude or anything about it. He was testing what I believe, and he believes something different. So I'm all good with that. If they want to borrow your shares, just start making ape sounds and hang up. Yeah, that would be a good way to end the phone conversation. Brett, did you ever remind ClayBro about ClayBro and Cookie sitting in a tree? Cookie, are you in here? Cookie, listen to this song that Brett made up. I don't know if you've heard it yet, but I love it. Here's the song. Brett made this up. I gotta give props to Brett on this one, but Clay and Cookie sitting in a tree. HOLD AMC. I love that song. Brett, thank you very much for that one. Please keep up the good work when it comes to stuff like that. Let's go for it. I'm listening. Clay and Cookie sitting in a tree. HOLD AMC. Yes. We got Dean in the house. Dean, what is going on? ClayBro takes karate with the kids. He will be fine. Yes. I take karate with the kids, guys. I'm going to be fine. Please remember that. No. ClayBro and Denise, not Cookie. Denise Renee says, no. It's not Clay and Cookie. Brett made the song, Denise. Brett made the song. So it says Clay and Cookie sitting in a tree. HOLD AMC. Neo's cute, guys. Make sure to follow Neo. He's cute. Lee was FUD and just trying to look smart. Possibly, Crypto. Possibly. But hey, if you got good questions, please bring the good questions. If you disagree with what I say, please let me know that you disagree. I'm all good with it. Love the AMC, Brett. You killed it, bud. He did. I really like that song. I like it a lot. JD Curry likes the song as well. For sure. HOLD AMC. Howdy, Eric Sacro. What is going up, Eric? Hi, buddy. I got some gnarly sunburns. Very nice, Dean. Very nice. I've got like a decent base on, man. I feel like it's gonna be hard for me to sunburn this year. I got a decent base going. Sorry, Denise Boo Boo. Y'all can have him on my days off. There we go. Cookie, don't take any days off now, please. Dean, nearly tea time as usual. 4:20 p.m. I cannot believe that Lauren hangs out with us so late. that it's already 4:20 there, and it's tea time, aka dinner, if you did not know what that is. Lauren says that she doesn't understand all of our slang, but tea time is dinner in the UK. If you guys were wondering, I'm up on the UK slang. Clay is okay with opposing opinions. That's how we are now friends or acquaintances or whatever. Yes, BFFs for life, Matt Perry. BFFs for life. No, I am cool with opposing opinions, guys. I'm completely cool with that. Look, I'll share my mind with you. You share your mind with me. If you still believe in what you believe afterwards, and I still believe in what I believe afterwards, perfect. But just be cool about it, and you're all good. Oh, I see you people. That's awesome. Welcome y'all to the ClayBro gang. Welcome everybody to the ClayBro gang. Make sure to click that like button. Talking about golf too. Lauren is talking about golf too. Tea times, yes. Lauren likes golfing, guys. If you see Lauren talking about tea time, she is not talking about dinner. She is talking about her next golf outing, possibly with Danger or Rocket. I do not know at this point, but we will find out soon. Tea time and Texas meaning golf. Yes, Dead Broke Show means something. It means dinner in the UK, but she was probably talking about golf. Loving these morning streams, Clay. Sinister. I enjoy the morning streams too. I really do. I wish more people jumped into them. They spend their time watching Trey and Matt and everybody else, but I wish more people would jump in, but we got to go for the recommend an Eskimo Bro membership level. Eskimo Bro membership level. Rocket! Thank you for the super chat, Rocket. And we already saw what Rocket had to say. Dude, we can have an Eskimo Bro membership level. We're possibly going to have a Step Bro membership level as well. But the question is, what perks do you offer above and beyond? Where do you set these price levels? Where do you set these perks at? Please, if you guys got recommendations, let's see it. Is this a bull flag? Potentially. Dead Broke Show asked that potentially on that one right there. Bull flags on a 1 minute chart are kind of hard to see here, but yeah, if you were gonna draw, your bull flag, and you get your trend line, this would be your pole right here. You got that going, and then you got the flag or the pennant coming out here, and it is a little bit difficult to draw this on a 1 hour chart, but. Speaking of tea time, what do you guys think about this one? You guys think this is a decent flag? Could you hit a hole-in-one here? Steve, Danger, and Rocket, does this look like a good flag to you? I don't know. It might. I really like this one, though. I really like this daily bull flag we got going on here. I mean, look at this flag. Look at this pole, and then look at this flag forming. Boom. And then we could just bust out to the upside if we get some more action going on there. Yeah, that's going to be really nice. I like that one. But yeah, whoever mentioned that, it could be a mini little bull flag, and we could watch it go higher. I'm more or less concerned about this level of support holding up and this trend line staying true. So that's what I want to continue to watch. Gray flag, absolutely. Does look like a good one, James, doesn't it? Pin high, baby, whatever the heck that means. Steve Danger, nice flag pull. All right, Lawrence says it's also a nice flag. Love the daily flag. It looks so pretty. It's so pretty to look at. Neil Wolf, that daily flag does look very good. Morning chart looking beautiful today, Irving. It absolutely is. Every day is a win when we have Dean here. If Dean is in the chat, we are already winning. Lisa, got a lot done and have some material for next weekend. Perfect, Dean, perfect. I cannot agree more. No, I don't think you could. I don't think you could even agree anymore. It's a good day when we got Dean here. Pump. May 25th was my first investment ever, and now I'm de-evolving into an ape. Pat Webster, very nice. Got into AMC, I would assume. On May 25th, making the first investment ever. Very good. Crypto Racketeer Clay, a brew is a cup of tea. All right, it's Crypto. Thank you for the UK slang, maybe, or European slang. I don't know exactly if it's, strictly for the UK or if it's something else, but thank you very much. I appreciate that. If you get a cold brew, that means you got a nice cup of cold tea. If you got a hot brew, nice cup of hot tea. Here it comes. 59 equals permanent comb over. Uh-oh. Eric is pushing the comb over. I love it. Oh, yes, we're almost at 59. Guys, $59. Remember when everybody was worried at 54 on Friday's close? English. Very good, Crypto. Very good. Thank you for explaining that one to me. Join the party, Alika. Join the party because we are having a lot of fun. Pat AMC was my first two, just started in January. Neo Wolf, very nice. Love this channel. Alika, thank you very much. Glad to have you in here. A brew is normally warm. What do you call an ice brew then? Is that ice brew? Iced tea? You get that? Is brew like a bro? Brew is like a bro, just with an accent. That's actually how they say bro over there in the UK. They're like, well, good morning, ClayBro. Good morning, ClayBro. That's brew is like a bro. You are correct on that one, Irving. What did you mean about day traders bailing hedgies out? Chasing. Simply, they create volume. Day trading. If you're selling shares of AMC, the hedge funds could be buying those shares of AMC and covering their short shares. So day traders are creating volume, and day traders are creating that supply that hedge funds can go ahead and eat up. Apes are holding, right? If you're holding AMC, the hedge funds can't buy your shares. If you're day trading AMC, they can buy your shares. Activate FOMO buying in 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Gonna buy hair stuff on Clay's affiliate Amazon link. Nice, M. James. Check it out. It's by far my favorite stuff that I've ever used. I know someone from South Africa who constantly called me Brew. Very nice, M. James. Very good. I don't know anybody from South Africa, actually. I have multiple brokerage accounts with AMC. Do I vote for each brokerage account? Yes. Or do I just make one vote? Thank you, Clay. Jake, vote for each one of them because the broker is going to be the shareholder on record. You're the street name shareholder for each one of those brokers. So you vote on Webull, Webull's going to send that vote into AMC. Vote on TD Ameritrade is going to send that vote into AMC. Fidelity, so on and so forth. So make sure you vote with each broker that you have. Clever, serious question. Why are you bleeping cool? Dean! I'm bleeping cool because you're bleeping cool, man. I feed off your bleeping coolness, and then we bleeping cool together. Serious answer. Simple as that. $59. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Cash App. What do you mean? Like Cash App? Should you buy AMC on Cash App? You can. But if you got Cash App, if you're using Cash App to invest, use the link in the description below for Webull. Sign up, get some free stocks. You're not going to regret it. How's the chart, Clay? Are we going to the moon yet? Hey, woo! Glad to have you in here. Yes, we are going to the moon. This chart is looking absolutely beautiful, guys. Beautiful chart that we've got going on here. I mean, look at this. Look at this daily performance on AMC. Incredible. And we might even be holding that trend line that we were talking about a little bit earlier. I don't like how it never grabs the right part there. Oh my goodness gracious. We love that trend line. Amazing. Come on, 65. We might be able to get it. If this thing keeps up, we might be able to get it. Clay, I told you, so now you should believe in the comb over. Eric, I do believe in the comb over, but this is what did it, man. That simply, this is what did it right here. That amount of comb over took us to 60. Imagine if I actually took us to 80 or 90 or $100 with a legitimate comb over to the right side. Would we be able to handle it? I do not know. 59, gonna hit 60 here pretty soon. Busting through 59 like it doesn't even exist. I've been looking for my TD proxy vote, and that's the one where I have nearly all my shares, but I got my Webull one weeks ago, and I only have like 30 in there. Sinister, yeah, I got mine. I forget what date it was, but it was like 10 days ago, maybe, when I got mine from Webull. 9+% today, and Citadel is not my dad. Jack Stack Silver. Hey, Jack Stack Silver, I gotta say, man, I watched your video on you pouring that silver the other day. I thought that was pretty cool. I liked it. I left a comment on it too. I don't know if you saw it. I'm mad at Webull. Why are you mad at Webull, Neil? Don't be mad at Webull. Crypto Rocketeer, you crazy, man. You crazy. Sometimes it's easier to just delete the trend line and draw a new one. Yeah, M. James, I would agree with that, especially when you're trying to sit here and click on that and it doesn't want to work and everything else. Low volume plus up 9% equals amazing. Yes, Denise Renee. We are having a wonderful morning so far. Oh my goodness. Lisa saying, what's up to Dean? Dean, how are you doing this morning? All warm and fuzzy, thank you. Good deal, good deal. Wait, we are missing Jamal, right? Jamal has not made an appearance today, Dean. And I don't know where Jamal is at. He's probably driving right now. Jack Stack Silver, absolutely. I thought it was pretty cool. Never really seen people pour silver before, so I did like that. I don't know what all you do to melt it and purify it and everything with that, but I did like it. Serious question, should I buy new shirts or just put tweed patches over the nipples on my current ones? Brett, I don't even know why you would need patches, man. I don't even know why you need patches. Just go. I say just go for it, dude. Just go for it. What's the volume, Clay? Let's look at it, Woo. Volume right now, it's hard to see, but the volume is 52 million shares. 52 million shares have been traded so far today. Oh, so I ran into a fellow ape on the strip, and we had a discussion about Lou. I was not for Lou, and he was. Very, very interesting. Guys, Lou killed it. Lou came out of nowhere and jumped up to 50,000 subscribers. Here's the game plan for today. I know there's 100 of you in here. Share the live stream with like 5 of your friends. Let's get more subscribers than Lou. That's a good plan for today. Lauren, Shuri is working right now. Very interesting. You guys, I love it. You guys all know each other's work schedules. It's perfect. Where's Jamal? I think he's probably driving, Joe. He's either driving or taking a couple days off or something. I haven't seen him in a couple days. But we need him back in our lives. Like, email them. Didn't think it was worth it. Did not see what Denise Renee had to say, but Nia Wolf was answering. Good plan. He's a good plan. Yeah, guys, share the live stream, share the video, share the channel. Let's get more subscribers than Lou. Clay, did you see E-Trade went up 800% as well as Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade? Did I see they went up 800%? Like their stock price went up 800%? Because no, I did not see that, Chad. I did not. The only thing I saw about TD Ameritrade and Schwab was what you sent me last night when we were talking about their new margin requirements on AMC and GameStop. Can we squeeze this week? Yeah, we can. I don't know if we will, but we definitely can. Local, ClayBro, if the hedgies only need to cover 85 million and retail owns 400 million, won't there be lots of bag holders? Local, no, there will not be lots of bag holders because you can be, listen, you're not going to get in at the dead right moment. You're not going to get in at the peak. You're not going to get in after everything's settled down. And you know who's really going to be missing out and messing up? Are the day traders trying to take advantage of the volatility on AMC during the squeeze. So if you think that you think if you're going to be holding the bag when AMC squeezes, no. The guy that's going to hold the bag is the guy who comes in and day trades when AMC shoots up to $1,200 a share, thinking that he's going to ride it from $1,200 to $2,500 and double his money in the same day because he's taking advantage of the volatility on AMC, and he's going to be buying your shares at $1,200 a share whenever you decide to sell. So the day traders, along with the hedge funds, are going to be eating up the volume. So your shares, man, I really don't see you're going to have a problem getting rid of your shares. The bag holders, you're not going to be holding a bag, man, if you're already in. To all my apes, no backup page we go if Reddit goes down. Jake, ClayBro Discord, that's where you go if Reddit goes down. Stay off Reddit to begin with, man. Awesome, Cassie. I see you, Green. You part of the girl gang now, too? Yes, Cassie's a part of the girl gang. Absolutely, Cookie. Yes, message them. It was worth it. They do respond. I missed some of the chats when I was talking about being a bag holder, guys. So sorry if I missed that. I'm going to catch back up. It's going to be really interesting to see what happens after lunch today. Yes, and we will have, guys, don't worry. We will have the Chipmunk Cam up after lunch. It is currently not up, but we will have it up after lunch and have some fun. Margin call requirements for E-Trade is 800%. Is that shorting AMC or what? Is that shorting AMC? Let me know, because 800% buying AMC doesn't make sense, but it would make sense shorting AMC. So I guess my point is these companies are raising requirements. Does that mean they are on our side trying to stop them from having such a loss? Chad, it doesn't necessarily mean they're on our side. It means that they're trying to cover their own butts. All right? When a broker raises their margin requirements, they don't want you touching their money. So margin is simply they're willing to loan you money and you trade their money. That's how you can have leverage on your portfolio. And the fact that they're raising the requirements means that they don't want you getting close at all. Now, it does mean that the volatility and the risk associated with AMC is increasing. And that's exactly what we need to see. But they're protecting themselves. So it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to do that to the hedge funds or that it's going to cause a margin call on the hedge funds. That's more or less the retail investors seeing those increased margin requirements on E-Trade, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, and all that stuff. But it does indicate increased risk, which is exactly what we need to see. Jason Beavers, I feel bleeping dumb since all my bleeping shares are in Robinhood and Cash App. New investor and picked up the worst possible brokers. Hoping I'll be okay. Chasing, I think you're going to be fine, man. If you want to use the link in the description below for Webull, absolutely do it, but I think you're going to be okay. I wouldn't, if you can't sleep because you're so worried about it, then definitely move brokers. But, dude, I don't think that it's something that you should really have to worry about. Can we just take a second to give our boy M. James a huge shout out? Shout out to M. James! I mean, this man is on the info and always watching and modding these channels. You're the man. M. James is like the mod of the mods. If I can make M. James a red mod, I think I would have to make M. James a red mod. Because the dude is everywhere. Everywhere. What? Am I not funny? Lauren, you are hilarious. Come on now. So, would you say we have full support now out of the flag? Oh, yeah. Out of this bull flag here. I was like, out of the flag, dude? You talking like out of the United States? Like, what are you saying here? I don't know your slang. Yeah, dude, I'm still riding this trend line right here. I still think that this looks great. I really do. I mean, normally we zoom in a lot further, but the fact that this trend line is holding all day today really has me excited. So I think that we're going to watch this trend higher. I mean, we might break down through it at some point, maybe during lunch. This is a very steep trend, but I like the way it looks right now. We want 60. We want 60, and we will get 60. Come on now, guys. Putter patter. I don't care much about politics, to be honest. Yes, did not see if we missed something there. Sorry, shorthand Texan at work in Ocean City, Maryland. All good, Chad. All good. Don't worry about that. I was just wondering. I was making sure that I didn't miss something there. I don't know how that plays into AMC, but okay. Yes, it might. Something. I know I missed something in the chat for sure. I just checked and I have 86.2% of my economy in AMC. It was more, but quit my job so need funds available. Crypto. Incredible. And I would imagine that that economy means that you have 86% of your portfolio invested in AMC. I would say, my friend, that you are almost all in on AMC. So it's a risky play, dude, but it seems to be working out for a lot of people right now. What's up, bro? What a tremendous weekend for AMC Theater. Space Jam just around the corner. Good times ahead. Dude, increased demand is looking very good. Here's the deal. Don't get too caught up, okay? Don't get too caught up in increased demand for AMC and all of that stuff. Yeah, it might, if we were roughly close to AMC reflecting its fundamental value, you might be fine. But shorts are definitely going to be willing to short the position, short AMC at its current price. Because even if AMC was fundamentally sound, it's still not a $30 billion company. So you got to worry about that if you start to rely on AMC's fundamentals increasing. But definitely a good thing that AMC is doing much better. When AMC peaks and starts to go down from the peak, how long do you think it will take to get its actual value? I'm asking because I want to sell limit after it peaks and is headed down. Mark, I think it's going to be quick, man. I truly think it's going to be quick, but I don't know. Here's the deal that could cause it to find a new floor, right? We're trading sideways. Well, it's not sideways, but we really seem to like the $50 to $60 range right now. Let's say it happens very similar to GameStop, and we watch it fall back down to 50, okay, 40, whatever GameStop fell down to. If we watch it fall back down to 40, you can absolutely bet that there will be new short positions available on AMC at the prices that we see during the peak of the squeeze. Now, this could lead to a round two. If AMC squeezes to $500 a share and the hedge funds are willing to sell AMC and they're willing to short AMC at $50 a share, they were willing to short it at $5 a share, they will absolutely be willing to short it at $500 per share. So please expect new short interest to come into play during the short squeeze, and that it could lead us to a very good round two for everybody who is able and willing to squeeze the hedge funds again, because the short interest, in my opinion, will be there post-squeeze. AMC Stock Squeeze has nothing to do with movies. Paul, yes, you are correct on that one. M. James, me too. I bet you're a great actor in it. I don't know what we're talking about here. Movie coming out in the fall, maybe. Citadel's in bed with Janet Yellen. She must be stopped from collecting speaking fees from them. Who does she represent, Main Street or Wall Street? I don't think Janet Yellen represents Main Street, so... Fruit Bowl in the house. Agent, where are you, my bald friend? Did you grow some hair while we were gone? Fruit Bowl, he did. He grew some hair, and it's looking very lush. I like it. I'm not good looking enough to be on the big screen. M. James, I've seen you, man, and I would disagree. You good-looking cat out there, and don't ever think otherwise. M. James is spicy, especially in that chef suit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've never seen M. James in a chef suit, but if Cookie says he's spicy, ladies and gentlemen, he's got that spicy quesadilla going on. Oh, yes. Oh, no! I don't like that candle. Come on. That's lame. No! Fix the lines, Clay. It's dry. I know! Oh, give me a second. Give me a second. Whew. Whew. Alright. We got the line. We're good. We're gonna be good. Was he bottomless? I don't know what we're talking about. I bet you my numero uno, though. Woo! Nice, Cookie. Nice. Number one quesadilla. I'm the number one quesadilla on the menu. All right, I like it. Scalping a sell-off. No, we don't need it to sell off, guys. Come on. Now obey this line chart. Yes, Irving, listen. Now listen, guys. This is it right here. Do not go back down below this. I don't know what you're thinking. Moving that line. You move the line. Luigi! Yeah, dude, because it always does what the line says to do. So we got to move the line a little bit and make sure that it's listening to us. Isn't that how trend lines work? Like, you draw the line and then it follows the trend? I'm pretty sure that's what happens when you draw trend lines. I was looking at Matt's stream earlier for like a minute and the dude is looking straight like a cartoon character. Oh my gosh. I did not see. I was hanging out in the Masked Investors stream this morning, so I did not see. Well, yeah, so Matt went live, I think, at 9. So I didn't see when he was going live because I was hanging out with a Masked Investor for a minute before I went live. But if Matt's looking like a cartoon character, I like it. Mark says, hey, Clay, with your new acquired platform, you realize with all the followers now you can make some great changes and influence in the right direction. Yeah, to the moon. Mark, isn't that what we've been doing all along? I would hope so. Isn't that what we've been doing all along, man? Is growing our portfolios together? If that sounds like something you're interested, let's get started. Would you like to grow your portfolios together? Does anybody else think that sounds like something they're interested in? Brother man Ben in the house. Very nice. Brother man Ben, what is going on? Clay, when did you start buying AMC? It was... I don't know if it was the beginning of... I don't know if it was the end of January or the beginning of February. I can't remember when I got my first share. I think the average is low 13s right now. The average is low 13s. Love when you do the intro. Rob. I don't know. It started off, I started off doing that intro, and it sounded kind of cheesy to me. Like, all right, guys, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. But then when you do it a couple times and it starts to stick, and then it's like, all right, well, it's not that cheesy. You know, you got to have some sort of consistency, and then people are like, well, I kind of know what he's going to say. I want to know, does anybody else that watches right now, is anybody else, like when I say... So if it sounds like something you're interested in, does anybody actually out loud say, let's get started? I really want to know that. I think that because it's something I wonder about and I can't know unless I ask. So does anybody actually do that? If you do, you got to let me know. There's nothing wrong with that. I need to know. You being consistent. Yes. Hey, your intro is sick. Thank you very much, Mark. I appreciate that. I do. Clay, can you take a minute or two for a dab hit? What is a dab hit? Like, you know, like dabbing on them? Is that what you're talking about, man? Or are you talking about something completely different? When's the OnlyFans coming out? Asking for a friend. I do not know when the OnlyFans is coming out. I'll have to ask my friends when the OnlyFans is coming out. I haven't yet, but I probably will. Let's get started. Miguel says, I do. Oh, man. I love it. Yeah, your intro's lit. Nice, guys. No dabs. Or concentrate. Irving, thank you very much for explaining that. I thought he was wanting me to dab on it, man. I don't know all of this stuff that you guys talk about. But Irving, shout out to you, man, on saying move that line a little bit because, yeah, you called a good one there. We're bouncing right off of it now. You're so innocent, ClayBro. Well, dude, I thought he was telling me to dab on it, Dean. I have no idea. I've never heard of dab. Or a dab hit. I don't even know how you would hit a wax. Yo! OnlyFans Skinny Bennis. Skinny Bennis has got his OnlyFans there, brother man Ben. All right. All right. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. I am getting hungry, though, and if I don't have eggs, it might be another quesadilla a day. Got a vape pen? Okay, I guess you hit a wax cube with a vape pen. What are your thoughts about the reverse split with Torch? Congress, I've not thought about it at all, man. It hasn't really crossed my mind at all. I'm not in Torch, and I don't know, guys. It might be a bad thing, but I really, if I'm not focused on something, I tend not to focus on it at all. I stay focused on what I stay focused on, and I think that it helps. Clay is lying. He knows. M. James, honestly, I had no idea what dabs were. I had no idea what dabs were, dude. Like, some of the other stuff, if you guys see me go like then I might be joking around, but I had no idea what dabs were. Now, until the neck beard. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Clay, after AMC, can we still be fam to grow portfolio? Dude, absolutely, Miguel. If you think that we're not going to continue growing our portfolios just because AMC is done, shoot, man. You must be on something because we are definitely going to continue growing our portfolios together. And we're going to make 2022 the best year ever after 2021 became the best year ever. So, yes, I know when he's serious. Rocket knows when I'm serious, and I really was serious about that one. I've always wanted to know, and a lot of other viewers ask, what is that wood, you actual wall or background? No, I mean, it's the... Jake, it's the actual wall, man. So, like, you know, it's shiplap on the wall. Like, that's the drywall right there. And then I got the LED on that side of it, but it's the actual... Like, it's a shiplap accent on the wall. So, if you guys were actually wondering that... Oh, I probably could have made that bigger. I didn't realize I was still small screen. But, yeah, it's actually the wall behind me. It's not just the background. And it's not a picture. It's like a rustic bondwood type shiplap. So, get thrown up against that thing, you're going to get some splinters, let me tell you. Cookie is designing ClayBro's pad, getting ready to move in. Hopefully Cookie likes the wall because I like the wall. Cookie, don't change the wall. Wow, beautiful setup. Nice, man. Thank you very much, Jake. I appreciate that. Okay, Clay, I love your videos. Do yourself a favor and Google dabbing granny. What is that, like a video of grandma dabbing? I try to follow Vigilante, but he streams too late for Europe. Vigilante streams too late for Ohio, man. That dude's live streams until like 10 o'clock at night. People got to go to sleep, man. ClayBro, I can't wait to do whatever you do after it squeezes. Will you be my broker? After it squeezes, maybe we can open up our own brokerage. I don't know what we will be doing, but we will absolutely be doing something. And I know that Jack Stacks is going to be stacking that silver all day long post-squeeze. 60, come on, let's go, guys. We got to retest that $60 level. And we can put a baby level of resistance. We can put a baby level of resistance right here. And see what happens with that one. It's kind of hard to see on the chart, but it's not going to hold up as well as these other ones yet, but I want to break it. Clay Brokerage. I like it, Irving. The Clay Brokerage. Clay Bro turns into the Clay Brokerage. That would be lit. That would... Sorry, crypto. What was happening? Oh, crypto. I was like, are you saying sorry to the actual cryptocurrency or crypto here? But yeah, I got you. Alright, it sells itself. It does, man. It does, Irving. I like it. We got the Clay Brokerage going on. Ortiz, you know it. Why you think I worked for an NFL team this weekend, Clay? This Texan girl loves the wall. Perfect. We keep the wall then, Cookie. We keep the wall. And then, look, we can do an interview. And we can have... We got Cookie in that chair right there. I'll be in this chair right here. We got the interview going on all afternoon long. Oh, sounds good to me. All right, good. That's good on the camera there. It's good to me, guys. Good to me. Hey, Texas girl Neo Wolf says, what is up, Cookie? People, all hit the pieces coming out every day should give you more conviction. All the hit pieces coming out every day should give you more conviction to hold. This should make you believe you are holding something valuable. Thieves do not break into empty houses. Yes, that is, unless they're squatters. Squatters break into empty houses, and technically I would consider them thieves. But, yeah. Clay, I'm going to take a dab and go wild. Ooh, it's AMC. I have 30,000 shares. Fruit Bowl. I'm with you, man. I'm with you. Almost looks like Dr. Phil said. Chad, it could be a Dr. Phil said, man. I don't know. What happens if brokerages go down during the motherfucking short squeezes? When Doge was skyrocketing, I couldn't execute sells on my Robinhood. It was conveniently down. I don't use them anymore for obvious reasons. Jake, I don't think that that's going to happen, but if they do, they're going to get in a lot of trouble. Let's see 60. Let's see it, guys. Let's see 60. Close above 60 on my mama. All right, Brick. Close above 60 on the mama. Okay, Fort Worth, Texas in the house. Very nice. Very nice. Let me ask you a question. Did anybody share? I don't have my Twitter up, so I can't confirm or deny. Did anybody share the live stream this morning? If not, don't worry about it. We're only going to be here for another 40 minutes or so, and then we're going to break for lunch. But did anybody share the live stream? Or if you did not, will you share the lunch live stream? We typically do better on the lunch live stream anyway, but get those shares ready, guys. I shared the live stream this morning. What happened to the Chipmunk? Luca, the Chipmunk is... I have not seen him this morning, but Chipmunk's going to be right here during the afternoon. It's just I don't have the camera hooked up right now. Brother man Ben shared it. Very nice. Thank you, brother man Ben. I want to see Riot rip before I sell this option. What do you have? What's your strike price on Riot? Because Riot really follows crypto, and I think the crypto is going to need to see a rebound before Riot rips. Make Texas a country again. You guys can go for it. Hey, what's going on, everyone? We looking real good this morning, Brandon. We are looking excellent this morning. Oh, my goodness. I have no friends to share it with. Neil Wolf, neither do I. That's why I ask you guys to share it, because I got 2 friends, man. They typically spend time in the chat with me, so that's it. I don't need to share it with them if they're already here. Are there any Facebook AMC holder members in here? What is that, a Facebook group? I'm not in that group. I am very much into social media and have no one to share with. I'm not very much into... gotcha, Irving, gotcha. Don't have a Twitter, but I'll make one just for ClayBro and our beautiful Moon Gang Nation. Make it, Jake. Make it and follow me, and I'll try to follow you back if you tag me in something. Will you have people come onto your life you thought you didn't know? That is true. Yes, it is true. Yeah, the backdrop is dope, Clay. Girls have been asking me about my wood. I direct them to your streams. Why? Now, this is some good wood. Guys, this is some high-quality wood right here. I'm telling you, it's rough. This is some rough wood. If you guys want to know about the rough wood, ClayBro's got the rough wood. So, keep that in mind if anybody's asking. And Matt Perry, thank you for directing them to this channel. And I always got the small. This is actually some rough wood. It is. Shiplap, heck yeah. Facebook AMC holders, 20,000 members. ClayBro, a pretty strong group, brother. Oh, very cool. JD, thank you for letting me know. I did not know that we had a 20,000 member group on Facebook. I should buy some ads. Do they sell ads on that AMC holder group? I should sell some ads and tell you guys to go visit the ClayBro YouTube channel during a live stream. He's not a shill. You guys know the guy that owns the Facebook channel? Buy some ads on there. Can the title of the stream be ClayBro slaps his rough wood? It would draw a new demographic. Yeah, and then we could all start out and then with ClayBro slapping the rough wood. I think people would be into that. Don't mess with Texas and Cookie. Please do not mess with Texas or Cookie. ClayBro, good morning, aka the Chip Lover. Good morning, Ben. How are you doing? Crypto on the move. Obviously, you mean currency, not me. Y'all see me shooting range picks on Twitter last time, Irving? No, I did not see the range. I did not see the shooting range pictures, Cookie. I did not see those. Good wood. It is, Rob. It is. It's good wood, man. You know it, Jake. You know it. I'm telling you guys. It's not that cheap stuff. You can get that. You can get that wood wet all day. It's not even gonna. I gotta stop. Got your back when I'm awake. Lauren's got Matt Perry's back when she's awake. Very good. It's hard for Lauren to stay awake though. She hangs out with us Americans, and it's a big time difference. She is a trooper, man. It's got to be difficult to stay awake when Americans are, I don't know, 5 to 8 hours behind you. Crypto's looking strong this morning. Brett, new or more of the same? Did not see what Brett had to say. Okay, yes. More of the same, probably. One day I'll have Lauren on taking shots for subs, probably. Matt, I want to see that. I want to see Lauren join a live stream somewhere. We love our hottie Lauren. Ooh, dropping those peaches in the chat right now. New subject for Friday live feeds, Chipmunk Fridays. Just a thought. JD Correa, we do have Chipmunk afternoon, so make sure to join us this afternoon. He's going to be on the live stream again. He is probably going to be pretty hungry today because he has not had any seats. Chad, so my dad has worked for 40 years, and I was telling him about AMC yesterday. He said the stock market will take all my money. I said, that's why you worked 40 years and walked away. Chad hit his dad with a mic drop and just walked away on that one. Chad, I would probably agree with you on that one, but listen, the stock market, a lot of people view the stock market is just another Vegas, man. It's just a gamble. And I will tell you right now that AMC is a sort of gamble. Because when you invest in a company's fundamentals, you can kind of get an understanding of what the company is worth. And if you think that it's worth more than you're currently paying, or if you think that they're growing their fundamentals, then you can invest in that growth. Or you can invest in the price difference between value and the current price. But when you're investing in AMC, we know that AMC is not fundamentally valued at $55, $59, whatever we're at right now. So it makes it more of a risk, yes, but higher risk, higher reward. AMC is a blank check, and we could really watch this thing rocket. So, and if you've been in AMC for a matter of months already, you're already up like 10x on your portfolio, so you're killing it. Your chance is always going to be zero if you don't take at least one step to change and is never comfortable. I would agree with that wholeheartedly, Chad. Absolutely. Matt Perry, I might need a shot to be live on the internet. I'm just not as confident as Cookie. Oh, Lauren. Lauren! I promise you, the only shots I'm taking, I've got coffee in the cup right now, and then the rest is water. I need a bro mug for sure. Like, look at all this bro stuff that we've got going on here. I need a bro mug, and then I'll be broed out. Just come on my live stream sometime, Lauren. We'll get you on here, and you don't need to be worried about anything. I will handle everything. You don't need... One, we'll build your confidence up. Two, dude, nobody's stepping in our way. Nobody's stepping in our way, Lauren. You and I, we got this. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Rocket, let's see what Rocket has to say. Post-squeeze, it would be a cool video to show your research on screen on how you do an evaluation. I think that would be very cool, Rocket. I think that would be, we could do that. We could absolutely do that, man. I would have no problem doing that either. So if that sounds like something you guys would want to do, we could absolutely do it. Especially if we're talking about, you know, fundamentally valuing a company and it's something other than AMC, because we know that that's not a good example of what we should be doing with that. Irving says espresso shots. We could do espresso shots, Lauren. Yes. Also, I don't drink alcohol anymore. She doesn't. Lauren Cookie is fasting, and she's going to turn that into a life's choice and a lifestyle. Forget what you're saying there. Lifestyle. I like it. We drink coffee, we drink water, and we drink lemonade. It's hard not to drink when my uncle's always partying. Luca, I can imagine that it would be hard if in that case. Yes. I got in around $10. Very nice, Joe. Very nice. What kind of PC setup do you have? I am deciding between a new iMac or PC desktop. Jake, if you could see the setup that we got going on right now, you would think that it is absolutely pathetic, man. I'll tell you right now, I got like a 10-year-old, 11-year-old laptop sitting on top of a PlayStation 3 box so that it's like eye level with the chair and with the Samsung Galaxy S20 that I'm currently using as the webcam. So if you're looking for a slick PC setup, I am not the guy to be asking about that one. So if you drink kombucha, is that technically cheating? No. It's not technically cheating because isn't that like fermented something? No, it's not cheating. I wonder if Clay doesn't drink anymore because he had a schwacked night out. I don't even know what schwacked means, but no. And there's no any more about it. I've never drank. PC Master Race, let's go. Go PC, no Mac. I would say go PC, but I just don't use Apple products. Since I've started investing, I have noticed my friend circle has changed. Most of my friends are about money and stocks. My day-to-day conversations have forever changed. Yeah, Chad, I would agree. Like, you got to surround yourself with people who are not just like-minded, man, but who are going to build you up and take you to better places. Got my Mac Mini, awesome. Jack Stacks likes a Mac Mini. See my 8 boyfriend in my pic. Denise Renee, I cannot. These pictures are so small. I can't see any of the pictures. Cookie says interesting. Besides, Cookie doesn't need alcohol to be happy. Go lucky, dude. I would 100% agree with that. I do not need alcohol to be happy. And no, do not need it. That's dope, Denise Renee. Yes, it might be dope, but I really do not see it. Somebody tell me what it is because I'm missing it. What about the MJ, Clay? Yeah, what about the MJ, Clay? What about the Michael Jackson? What about the Michael Jordan? Yeah. MJ. You guys got me again, man. What about Michael Jordan? He was a good basketball player. I really liked him growing up. Can we do a virtual happy hour with ClayBro? Jake, yeah, we could probably do something like that. Aha, all this time I thought I was stupid. Thanks, bro. I don't know why you thought you were stupid, Crypto, but you are absolutely not stupid. No. M. James, that's where my head went first, but I don't even know, like, the MJ? Oh, he's talking about weed. I'm like, what is this dude, MJ? Are we talking about Michael Jackson or Michael Jordan? Like, what's going on? Mary Jane, there's another one. No, none of that either. Wish more folks from Matt's stream would jump over here. Evan, me too. Wish they would jump over here, and maybe they will. They typically jump in over some of them. I would say about 100 or 200 of them jump in after hours, but I don't know why they just sit there all day long. Guys, there's no problem jumping back and forth. There's no problem jumping back and forth between streams. If you want to go hang out with Matt for a minute and then come back here. I don't know if Trey's live or Mass Investors still live or who those guys are doing what they're doing right now. Then yes. Which means he doesn't go skiing either. No, I've been snowboarding a few times, but I've never been skiing. Good day for AMC so far, Velocity. It is an amazing day for AMC. The trend line is looking incredible. Anyone want to come to the island? Yes, I want to come to the island. Let me go. Just happier. Denise Renee. Just happier. That is me. I am always just happy. Will you be able to take... How will I be able to take advantage of you? Renee. Denise Renee. Good luck. You can't... Like, you're not up for the challenge? Gotta get up for the challenge now. Move the line. Chad says move the line. Woo. All right. That's actually a legit line. From this low to that low. We're doing good. But as you guys can see, we're just going to make this one bold for the time being. As you guys can see, that is turning out to be a decent level of resistance. So we got to watch what happens here. You guys should be able to see that. We got to watch what happens in this area right here. Do we have another upside breakout, or do we get caught in this channel and trade sideways the rest of the day. That's going to be crucial. Coffee is worse than weed. I don't know if that's true or bad. Coffee really doesn't do too much to me, but can't speak on weed. Can the hedge funds people not run out of money and do a bankruptcy like stock dump or something to get out of this? PLK hack, I believe that the hedge funds they can run out of money, but they've got a lot of money, man. And how can they get out of it? They can cover their shorts and pay the price. And deuce me up. Oh, dolce me up? Okay. Oh, Mary Jane, now I got it. A little late. Denise Renee, me as well. I was definitely late on that one. You have to talk to Cookie to touch Clay. Oh my goodness gracious, ladies and gentlemen. Let's figure out what's going to happen here. Filling up to look at that. I like it, guys. I like it. We need to get that. We need to break out to the upside on that channel there. Brett's not what you think. He's a real life Christian Grey. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, Clay, good morning. You just got to read some of them, you know what I mean? You can't comment on everything. Hey, Clay, looking good. Shake that money maker and make this thing blast off. Kim's Nature Channel. Kim's Nature Channel. You hang out when we have the Nature Channel on here. Clay's Nature Channel when we got the Chipmunk Cam going on. So hopefully you hang out in the afternoons. All right, bro, fam. It's time for me. Y'all have a lovely day. Dean, just check back in later. I mean, you don't have to stay with us for the after hours live stream, but make sure to check back in. Have a good afternoon, Dean. Get some work done, or morning, I should say. I know you're out in Vegas. Get some work done, man. Drink Renee. No worries. Yes. Shaman. I don't know who Shaman is, but caffeine is a stimulant. Cannabis is a medicine. Medicine. Okay. Stimulant versus medicine. Right. Speaking of which, how do you feel about Sundial stock for the long term? Joe, I do have some Sundial in my portfolio. I think that it's... I really like the fact that Sundial's debt free and they got a lot of money on their hands. And, you know, I know that weed stocks or marijuana stocks, whatever you want to call them, were really ripping when a lot of people were expecting the U.S. to look at marijuana in a more favorable light. So I do think it's going to happen one day. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I think that long term it's got some potential. See you guys later. Miguel, have a good afternoon. Yeah, Sundial, I saw your vid on it from a few months ago. What's your take on it now? Same deal, Doc. Same deal. I think that, you know, that, I don't know what you would call it, the hype surrounding the, you know, new administration coming into the United States here and all about the U.S. allowing marijuana. I think that's faded, but I do think that when talks about that come up again, that you'll see it rip. For real, you should do a poll on where apes want to go meet after the convention and take off and publish it on YouTube. You'd be the first YouTuber to do it. Chad. I mean, yeah, we could possibly do something like that. I think that a lot of people are... I think that's a topic of conversation for a lot of people. Lame block of meetings coming up. Until next time, I hope that each and everyone have a great lunch. Brett, until the next time, man. I hope that each and every one of you have a great lunch. Do those meetings and do them quick, dude. Join us after lunch. I can share. All right, so Denise can share. I think that's a good thing. Let's do a ClayBro and Moon Gang meet up in Greece for real and at an AMC. Jake, I think that would be a lot of fun. Until the neckbeard. Yes, until the neckbeard. To each and every one of you, have an awesome lunch break. Thanks, Brett and Cookie. I think we just need to focus on our convictions. And yes, we are going to the moon. Bye, Cookie. Cookie, are you leaving? I missed it if you said you were leaving. Have a good afternoon. Make sure, Cookie, to stop back by a little bit later. Sorry, should have said organic. Missed that one. Bank in Sweden has over 1,400 new owners in June. Very interesting crypto rocketeer. Bye, Cookie. Cookie, have a good afternoon. Make sure to come back for the afternoon live stream, please. We love it when you're in here. I shared you on my Blue Market Caller group on Facebook. Nice, Denise. That's what they're calling it now. Well, nice. I'm glad that you shared me there. Make sure to share us there for the after lunch live stream as well. Once you're blessed with attendees, remember to be a blessing to others. Ben Chilling, yes, make sure to do that. And you don't even have to be blessed before you bless others, man. Remember that as well. Bought my first house with MJNA penny stock. First traded medical marijuana stock. Very cool, Denise Renee. Bought a house with it. I love it. I just want to attend that meet and greet. I'm from... I have no idea. Ooh, I know you're from Canada, right? I know you're from Canada, but that shows up really weird in my chat. That's not a flag if that's what you were going for. I actually don't know what those symbols are. in the chat. But I know you're in Canada, Woo. I know you're in Canada. So that should be good enough, shouldn't it? All right. What do you guys... We should go till 12:30, right? You guys want to go till 12:30 when you break at 12:15? Babe, don't be flirting while I'm gone for lunch. Also, quesadilla. No worries. No worries, Cookie. Quesadilla. Won't be no flirting going on here. Quesadilla, and have a wonderful afternoon. I will definitely see you after lunch. Oh, we feel like we're getting close to the AMC squeeze within the next month, please. Sydney, I would love to see it in the next month. Clay, let's give ClayBro a quick chipmunk support shout out. Yes, throwing those chipmunks in the chat. I love it. Anybody throw some chipmunks in Matt's chat or Trey's chat to see if anybody understood what was going on there? To see if they know? Up to you, bro. Ooh, it is. It is. I think we can hang out another 10 minutes. We'll see what's going on. I don't know. 12:30. Doc Airline says 12:30. We can hang out for another 20 minutes. I'm getting hungry though. Chipmunks in the chat. Cookie throwing those chipmunks in the chat. Yes, thank you very much, guys. I want to know if anybody, like, if you throw those out in somebody else's chat, I want to know if anybody's gonna echo a chipmunk, and they'll be like, "Oh yeah, you watch ClayBro's stream." Cassie's throwing those chipmunks out too. Very nice, guys. I love it. Oh man, we broke out to the downside on this channel. Come on. Looks like we might be forming a decent channel here, and we might trade sideways at least during lunchtime. Let's find out what happens with that. But regardless, this is an extremely strong day, guys. 8% on the day right now. I'm loving it. Clay Brody, a quick look at Wish, please. Thoughts? Tom, I'm not going to pull Wish up on the chart right now, but I think that... I think that you got potential to make some money on Wish, but I don't know if it's really worth it. So if you're out there and you're thinking about selling AMC to get into Wish, I would say no. But if you have money in your portfolio and you want to buy something, dude, I have no problem with people diversifying their portfolios. Do I need a sugar mommy? I'm pretty sweet, Denise. I'm pretty sweet, so I don't know if I necessarily need a sugar mommy, but sweetness, it always helps, doesn't it? I just want to throw some chipmunks in Matt's chat. I think somebody should, to see if anybody answers. Just test the chat and see if anybody knows what's going on. I might go try it in another channel. I think you should try it in another channel, Lauren. Just to see if anybody's like, "Oh, you watch ClayBro? You watch ClayBro?" Because if they don't know what's going on, they don't know what's going on. I came here with a raid with the Green Heart channel, and they went to another one, and all the messages were getting deleted. Oh, why? Why would you delete the messages? No, if you guys are all coming out to support, there's a big difference in coming in and just being dumb and, like, being annoying or whatever, and just coming in and someone showing some support and all of that. But yeah, man, I'm all on Bulldog Stocks channel. I could use one. That line is bleeding. The line is bleeding, Denise. I know, but we might be trading sideways throughout lunchtime. Are we back? It says we were disconnected, but now it says that we are live again. So I might have been spinning for you guys, and I don't know if that's true or not. Someone in that channel responded and put a chipmunk. Nice, Doc. Nice. I like it. That was Denise. It was two of you guys going over there and putting chipmunks in. Oh, boy. I don't know if that was somebody responding or if both of you just went over there and started throwing chipmunks in the chat to see. If you don't know, now you know. Yes. If you don't know, now you know. I put chipmunks on Trey's chat. Cookie, did anybody respond? Yeah, back. All right, thanks, Nick. I don't know what was going on with that. I don't know why I lagged out for a second and came back, but I'm glad it brings me back and not, like, drops the stream. ClayBro, email claybro883@gmail. Need to hook you up with a custom piece. See you after lunch. Yeah, Jax, did you email me? Is that what you're saying? I'll definitely hook up with you on there. I think that would be awesome, man. All right, see you after lunch, man. After lunch and then the after hours stream, man. Enjoy your lunch as well. Take a nice break. We'll come back at it. You have one person got it. Nice, Cookie. Nice. That's really cool. That's really cool. Seeing somebody throw a chipmunk out there and to actually see that they understand what's going on with it. Because I wouldn't expect them to. But if they do, great. GJG Lee, gotcha. Gotcha. I replied, chipmunk to JD Correa. Nice. We need to spam Matt's stream with chipmunks. Well, don't spam anybody else's stream and be annoying with it. But I don't think that you really can spam Matt's stream. His chat goes so fast that even if you were spamming it with chipmunks, he probably wouldn't even notice. So, someone named NT. Oh, yeah, NT, Doc. NT hangs out in here, too. So, NT would know. I don't know if NT's in here right now, though. On my Twitter, I also add it randomly. I do see that, Cookie. I do see that. I like that. Ba, ba, ba. 0.6. I don't know what's going on with the 0.6, but yes. Look at this, guys. Look at these minutes here. You can definitely tell people are at lunch. You can definitely tell people are at lunch right now. Like 12,000 shares traded. People are eating. I think we might end up seeing some sideways action throughout the rest of the day. Just send a DM. Rocket, my tablet's over there charging. I'm going to have to check it out after the stream ends in about 15 minutes, but I'll definitely get on that. What's for lunch, bro? Nufo, I don't have any eggs. I was thinking about making some eggs, but I don't think I have any eggs, so I might end up going like a quesadilla or chicken. We'll find out, right? Lunch action, relax. Let's see what this happens this afternoon. Yes, Cookie. Just the sideways lunch action. We're going to come back strong into the after hours. Say, so what happens when utilization hits 100%? It just means we move sideways. It just means that they can't add any additional selling pressure because they won't be able to short any more stocks. NT! LOL, I put a duck on Matt's chat, but I don't think anything happened. You put a duck on Matt's chat or you put the chipmunk on Matt's chat? But I don't think anything happened. Doc Airline said that he saw you put that chipmunk on there. Popular burger joint in your hood, ClayBro. I don't know, man. If you guys have the rail, I think a lot of people like the rail. That's more of like a sit-down burger restaurant. I'm trying to think that's anything that's like super burgery. Rail for sure. They like only have burgers. What else? Five Guys has good burgers if you're into like fast food burgers. What's the one that my brother really likes? Oh man. If somebody's watching right now. I can't remember the name that the name of the restaurant my brother really likes. Smoke? I've been to Smoke once, Nick. I've been to Smoke once. So I haven't been there as often as I've been to the Rail, so I can't speak on that one, but I did like Smoke. That's not the one that he likes, though. The one that he likes is more of a, I'd say it's more of a fast place than a restaurant, but Burger, it might be BurgerFi. Is that a place? Is BurgerFi a place? Because I think that's the one that he likes. Jake Burgers? I've never heard of Jake Burgers. Lauren Sames, our peach and his chipmunk, and then the heart. I put ape, chipmunk, and peach, then chipmunks. Nice. Smash Burger. Never heard of Smash Burger either. Clay Burger. Hello, welcome to Clay Burger, home of the Clay Burger. Can I take your order? Just got to get on. Are we still thinking this is going to 1,000 and beyond? Day trader. Yes, we still have the same amount of potential as we had before in AMC. Smash Burger is good too. Never heard of Smash Burger. Culver's is the best here. You guys are making me hungry. Now I want some burgers, but I don't know. Whataburger? I've never been to Whataburger either. But is BurgerFi the place? Like, have you guys been to a BurgerFi before? I think that's what it is. That's by far my brother's favorite burger place. I'm holding 69,000. I'm holding till 69,420. Nice, brother man Ben. Nice. Raising Cane's. I've been there a couple times, yes. Thank you, friend. You're the best. Absolutely, day trader. You're the best. Glad to have you in here. Bob's has good burgers. Bob's. Bob's has good burgers. Like, we talking about Bob Evans? We talking about a different place, man. Fat Burger. I really don't know if a lot of these places you guys are talking about are legitimate places. Imagine taking a girl out on a dirt date to Smash Burger. I don't know what Smash Burger is, but it might be a good place. Bob's Burgers. Isn't that a show? On alone, a guy ate a grasshopper and said it tasted like a burger. I will not be testing that, Nick. I will not be testing that out. And I hope you guys don't do either. Fat Burger is a real place. Dang. JG Lee, is she cheating on us? I hope not. What did JG Lee say? I missed it. Krabby Patties. Anybody want a Krabby Patty? Charbroiled burgers are the best. Yeah, it sounds delicious. Now I really want a burger, guys. Smash Burger is real and it's everywhere. I've never seen a Smash Burger, Don. I've never seen one. Double Whopper with cheese. My dude's going to Burger King. Agreed. Charbroiled burgers are the best. JD agrees, or JD Correa agrees with NT. I'm not a big burger fan. I look an idiot eating them. Lauren, I can guarantee you, you do not look like an idiot eating a burger. I can guarantee you that. Oh my goodness. They have Smash Burger here in Oklahoma. I've never seen one in Ohio. Shake Shack is good. Sir, this is a Wendy's. Yeah, this is a Wendy's, and you're trying to order a Whopper? Come on now. Bob's is a show. Yes, Bob's Burgers is a show. I figured it was. I remembered that one. Never watched it, but I've seen commercials for it. Oh, Smash Burger's amazing. Man, everybody knows what Smash Burger is except for me. I now eat bunless burgers, so I look dumb. Would you at least use lettuce or something? Are you one of those people that uses lettuce for your buns? How about a quesadilla with no cheese? That's a lot like a burger, but that would just be like tortillas and chicken, because I'm using chicken in the quesadilla. But nothing beats In-N-Out. I think I've been. No, I really don't know what it is. I forget where I went in California one time. Clay, I went to BMW and tested my future car. Nice, A-Woo. Nice. You gonna get it? Shake Shack and Mooyah. Never heard of a Mooyah. Quesadilla with no tortilla. That would be like a chicken salad. I could do that as well. But I would probably use tortilla chips. I don't eat the bun either. A lot of people seem like they don't eat the bun. Do you guys just use lettuce or what? Beans and cheese tacos. Interesting. And I can see that when we start talking about food, either people get really hungry and leave, or it's just lunchtime for everybody, and they're all getting out of here. But I figure like we can talk about food for the next 8 minutes, right? M. James is demodded. No, that's what he says. In-N-Out is overrated. Uh-oh. Lettuce for you. All right, Cookie's using that lettuce bun. I like it. You fry up the cheese and wrap everything inside it. Oh my gosh. Nick, that sounds delicious, man. That sounds delicious. Is that like a thing? Do people do that? My mouth's over here watering. I only eat the buns. Brother Man Ben says, forget the stuff inside. I only eat the buns. Oh, man. But because these kids these days spin on your burgers and do weird stuff, that would be weird, Doc. That would be extremely bad if they did that. You got to try the quesadilla burger from Applebee's. Never had that. I haven't been to Applebee's in a long time. I love big bunned burgers. Me too, Brother Man Ben. More buns, the better. That's it. So good. I've actually had it here in Texas. Oh, the quesadilla burger? Is that what you're talking about, Cookie? ClayBro, when the squeeze hits, I'm bringing your butt to Cali and going on a double and fries animal style. JD Correa, I don't know what that means, but let's do it. Let's do it. In-N-Out is good in California because not many other good burger places. Makes sense? Nice. Ashley, what did you see? I saw F9. He doesn't want the meat. He doesn't want the meat. He doesn't want the meat. He's going for the buns only. I love big buns and I cannot lie. 0-0. Interesting. He loves big buns and he cannot lie. No Smash Burger in Virginia. Never heard of it either, Clay. Stowboy. Yeah, I've never heard of it. I don't think we have any in Ohio. Nick F., you ever heard of a Smash Burger? GG Lee says, Lauren, I ate the whole burger with at least a knife. You can eat a burger with a knife, man? Come on. Yeah, Nick F's never heard of Smash Burger either. We need some Smash Burgers in Ohio. Anybody want to start a franchise here? In-N-Out, double, and fries, animal style. JD Correa, double, and fries, animal style. I guess that's, I don't know what animal style means, I guess. Double, 2 patties, and their dressing. Gotcha, 925. Gotcha. Cookie says, LOL, why are you not Green Girl? Getting this members only now team. Yes, getting this members only now team. Get the green names. I love the green names in the chat. Red Robin burgers with a lettuce wrap. Red Robin has some good burgers as well, like Five Guys burger. Yeah, Five Guys does have a good burger. I would agree with that one too. I like Five Guys burgers. California burgers are like our kids' meal burgers here in Alabama. You might be right, Day Trader. I was in California one time and I don't really remember the burgers too well. Animal fries, I think, with meat on them. Okay, so they got animal fries. Animal styles fries. I'm learning so much. You guys teach me so much. Animal style is fries and their own Thousand Island dressing. 925 reviews. You're on top of it, man. Since I've never been to these places, I really don't know what all this stuff is, but it sounds good. A double with animal style fries. All right, cool. I hate people who spoil things for no reason. Yeah, right, Neil Wolf, right. Irving for the win. It's not meat. Animal style fries. Okay. Ignore him. We will ignore him. Yes. I like A&W. A&W burgers. Man. Now I'm trying to think if I have any burger. I don't think I have any ground beef. So like now I want a burger, but I'm not going to be able to eat it. Wait, I have 5 more minutes to hang sisters. 55 burgers is great. Yes, we got 5 more minutes, and then we're going at 12:30. Could really go for chicken parm and pasta right now. Oh, man. I like it. Everybody's getting hungry at lunchtime, and we're just discussing all these different food options that we're going to have. Tacos are greater than burgers. Unpopular opinion. Irving, I really like tacos, man, but I really like burgers, too. I really like burgers and tacos. I don't watch G trailers. Nick F. We got Nick F in the chat. Rocket wants to know. Rocket, we got him in the chat. Yes. Have you been to the Turf Club? I have not, Nufo. I have not. Especially for a movie I know I'm going to watch. We don't need anybody spoiling any movies. But I can be and tell you the ending. No, don't do that, Double O. Don't tell anybody the endings, please. I'm missing like the whole conversation, but don't tell anybody the endings or anything. I just had Korean chicken and a quesadilla. It sounds delicious. I had Wendy's for the first time in ages at a truck stop this weekend. I cannot remember the last time I had Wendy's either. You Americans like parm, huh? Yes, Lauren. Yes. Okay. Double O, thank you very much. Thank you. And yeah, man, we are glad you're in here, Double O. We are glad you're in here. Fuzzy. What is a fuzzy taco? You ever go to Cascones? You ever go to Cascones, M. James? Wherever that is. You guys know so much about restaurants and places that I think it's incredible. And Jason, I don't know when you subscribe to the channel, man, but thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. Glad you got your name up there. And I don't know when that was. Let's see. How long ago was it since we got the last subscriber? I would assume the 82 of you in here have already clicked that subscribe button. 21 minutes. This name has been up here for 21 minutes. Fuzzy tacos equals a moldy taco? That's what I'm thinking, man. That's what I'm thinking. Logan says, buddy, the street food in California is very good. It probably is. Street food you don't pick up food that you find on the street in Ohio and eat it, but I would imagine street food in California might be good. It's a real chain in Texas. What is Fuzzy Taco? Is a chain in Texas? Is that like a fuzzy peach? It might be like a fuzzy peach, guys. What? Ever heard of Rusty Rooster? Neo Wolf, never heard of the Rusty Rooster. Is it like a wing place? What? We want more subs before the end of this morning live. Let's get at least one more subscriber before the live stream ends, guys. You got 2 minutes. Make sure to click that subscribe button. We got 79 viewers. You guys are leaving. I would imagine all 79 of you subscribe, but we will find out. Oh, Day Trader has just subscribed. Day Trader, thank you very much for getting your name up there. We appreciate that. We got that last subscriber before the stream ends. Street tacos are better than Taco Bell. Yes. Yes, the finger waggle. I really try not to laugh every time. I don't know what's going on with the finger waggle, Lauren, but I know you like it, right? We got Day Trader up there at the top. Yes. I'm having bacon and hot dogs and a garlic bread bun, baby. Ooh. Brotherman Ben, I'm on for that. Street hot dogs, they sell outside baseball games in Pier 39. You guys are making me... I know you have to be hungry too because you're making me so hungry right now that you have to be hungry. I'm in from now on, friend. Yes, day trader. Very good. Thank you. And look, man, we do, we're hanging out. We're getting ready to go to lunch. We do look at the chart. You know that. But glad to have you in here. Absolutely hang out with us every morning and every afternoon. We're going to be back at 3 o'clock. All right, day traders? So be on the lookout. If you don't get a notification, be on the lookout at 3 o'clock. You a true amigo now? Absolutely. Day traders a true amigo. They also have Dodger Dog, which I want to try. Make sure. I don't even know what I'm going to eat. I don't even know what I'm going to eat. Guys, it's 12:30. Here's the deal. We're going to be signing off. Make sure to get your name in the chat right now. Say something so I can give you a quick shout out. But let's go eat some lunch. Let's hang out. Take some rest. If you guys got to work, whatever you need to do, make sure to get some work done. And then we're going to be back around 3 o'clock. That's in 2.5 hours. So enjoy the break. Go watch somebody else if you need to watch somebody else, whatever you need to do. But we will be back. And let's get some shout-outs going on before we get out of here. So, yes, Day Trader, thank you very much for being here. Cookie, it's a pleasure as always. 925 Review Rocket, thank you very much for being in here. A-Woo Irving, JD Correa, James Brown, Nufo, JT Wisco, Clay, on my way for lunch, quesadilla, right? You know what it's going to be, Cookie. You better get over here pretty quick, so I'm hungry. Better get here pretty quick. Jack Stack Silver, man, have a good afternoon. NT, we will be back a little bit later. Hey, woo, enjoy your food as well. I don't know if you're eating or not. The Dead Broke Show, Diamond Hands, baby. JD Correa throwing out those chipmunks. I absolutely love it. Lauren, I don't know if you're listening right now, but hopefully you have a good tea time. I don't know if you've already ate yet, but have a good tea time. We will be eating lunch here. Hopefully you enjoy your food as well if you haven't ate yet. And then we will be back a little bit later. Rob Bliss, thank you very much. Welcome to the little bro, Rob Bliss. Glad to have you along. Everybody right now, as we sign off, I'm having pizza. Oh, man, I'm hungry for pizza. I'm just hungry for everything, Lauren. I'm hungry for everything. Everybody, as we sign off, throw the Rob Blisses in the chat right now. Welcome my man Rob into the bros. And yes, I want to see all of those names come across as we sign off. 925 Reviews, DD214, later, my man. Neo Wolf, have a good lunch. Hopefully you come back a little bit later. What at the dot? Noise. Welcome, brother. Very, very noise. Very noise. JT Wisco, Toronto is on my list. Toronto's a good city. I've been there before. I liked it. Brother man Ben, we got 59. We're going 59. Let's go 60. Hopefully we break this line. Look, guys. Hopefully we break this line of resistance as I go into lunch, and then we will be coming back a little bit later and enjoying ourselves as AMC moves on higher. I love it, guys. Thanks, guys and girls. Everybody's welcoming, and we are breaking that line right now. Very good. Very good. We know what it looks like, and we're breaking this line. Every time I sign off, we get a nice run to the upside. So, guys, if you want to say it with me, and make sure to check out the links in the description below if you haven't done that yet. Make sure to check them out and turn notifications on because we will be back at 3 o'clock. Now, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, well, let's go big. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.